Paper smell, little paper smell. You know, come on. When you're in love, paper smells don't bother you. Actually, Rico in love.
This is true.
There you go.
Not all the time.
That's my man Kendrick over there.
This can't be all the time.
Kendrick Larico. Kendrick
Well,
Larico.
I would hope it's not all the time.
Yeah. Wait. Saggy balls smell the worst. Lord, so you never mess with a pair of saggy balls, sweaty saggy balls? Like he just came from playing a good game of handball, wanted to give you back shots, and you just said like, "Hey, set him up." What?
Can't take a quick shower.
I mean, you could just get the rag. Like I was a rag dude.
Wet wipes.
Wet wipe. Nah, I couldn't afford wet wipes when I was.
I mean now though.
Yeah. My wet wipes was toilet paper with water. Never, hell no. I inspected that shit before marrying him. Oh, you made sure he had. But now, when you're married, that's when you do the sweaty. The little pee-pee balls because you're married, and it's like those are my pee-pee balls. I'll suck on my pee-pee balls, right, Lourdes? Your husband ain't never had no sweaty pee-pee balls, and you just said, "Fuck it, I'm gonna suck on his sweaty pee-pee balls." No,
she's not with that shit.
Listen, I know I didn't have.
Still doing it where I can't share. Why is this happening? I can only share with his group.
Tanya, you laughing? Jason was going. Nope, shit gets inspected. He made clean. Oh, he mad clean? I get you. Brandon, my boy Fidel. This one of the dopest rappers working for Revolt. He's got to be the dopest rapper. Yo, Fidel, man, do another album for me, brother. Salute, though. Fidel.
Oh, hey.
I feel like I have a lot of Fidel's music on my computer.
Because he's dope.
Throughout the years.
Cold World. My favorite joint. Cold World. I'm chilling, bro. We out here talking about relationships, and since you're a married man, we talking about. Have you ever ran into a problem? Well, not with your wife, because you probably would have married her, but with a girl who had that fishy scent, work it early, or just a bad vajiji butt smell. You know,
call it the.
The ladies are saying that they don't like sweaty man balls, like
Okay.
Rosa, she said no, pass on sweaty balls, sucking maybe, grab them. Rosa. Salute. You're going to still take care of them, but you ain't sucking on until he wash them. I understand that. Respect to you. Love. That's why your man loves you, Rosa.
Or you could wash him for him. That might turn him on.
That's dope, too. Get the washcloth. Other factors can be she is hairy. I'm a little bit above women with little hairy joints. You know what I'm saying?
Actually, that
hair holds on to a little bit of that stank, though.
She actually have lots of hair.
Sometimes too much hair holds on to that stank, so it don't
no, I understand, but if they
that's
clean,
what I'm saying.
If they clean
at the gym, she actually had lots of hair.
Yeah.
Listen, not to change the total subject, my man just dumped a chick because he didn't know she had a little goatee, but I guess she kept clipping it.
So that's good then.
But they spent a week away.
Oh my God!
And he woke up one day and was kissing on her. And he's like, "Damn, the stubble chose. I swear it kept fucking with my lip." And he's like, "Where is this coming from?" He said he turned on the light and woke her up because she had a whole bunch of gristle right on her chin.
But he didn't notice that when they were asleep?
He never noticed it, but they would have been swimming the last 2 days. They was in DR. They were swimming, and I guess, she wasn't on top of it like she be, and they don't live together or nothing. He said they got back, and the shit bothered him for 3 straight days.
Oh my God.
Hair definitely holds funk. Rosa agrees.
I do.
Jay, we're going to talk about that, Jay, the reunion in VA. I'll talk to you about that. But yeah.
You got to hit that shit with some.
Are you bothered by that?
Well, I've never had a woman with
chicks with beards.
I've never had one, so I wouldn't know.
Chicks with hair on their face, but they keep it off. Like my man just said, he stopped fucking with a girl because in DR, I guess she wasn't taking. He had never noticed it before. He fucking with her for 8 months. In DR, like after 3 days, he went to kiss her in the morning. He felt stubble. Turned the light on, so she had a little gristle. And then he just recently broke up with her 3 days ago since they've been back. Because he's like, I can't fuck with a woman with facial hair.
That's not petty.
You can tell when somebody has facial hair. Even when they go, you can tell that it's been fake.
Nah, because
like under right here, even the upper lip, some women have stronger mustaches than me, so you gotta.
You got
a weak
mustache though.
Your shit is just barely holding on.
But like if I was to shave my face right now and shave it clean, you wouldn't know.
I enjoy your channel. Mucho love. You got me taking a shower now. Hey, all right, Lord, hey, do what you do. Sharice Rodriguez. What up, girl? I'm my baby mama.
Actually, it's actually funny because
we're talking about women with strong vagina sense and what could be the problem, Sharice. You just joined us.
And dudes with
sweaty balls. And have you ever enjoyed your man's sweaty balls, even though they was kind of sweaty, maybe a little pipy to him? Did you still take care of them?
But like the other day, I was in the store, and I mean I didn't smell.
I'm good, Sharice. How you, girl?
But I guess like I got online, and this woman came on the line like right behind me, and I just smelled an odor.
They need to do.
So then you have to do like the
make sure it wasn't you.
Even though I was like, and rationally I knew it wasn't me. I'm like, you hadn't smelled all this time. All of a sudden,
I think some of you women are feeling. I think some of you women have had the sweaty ball encounter and still took care of your dude. I just got a feeling. I mean, we've all been in love. We've all done some shit we wouldn't have done unless we were in love. We've all done it.
It's true.
We've all done some shit where you was like, God damn, when you look back on it, when you're not with that person, you're like, shit, what the fuck was I thinking that day? Because that was nasty. I've been in a bloodbath one time, like a bloodbath. Like, Shorty said the period was somewhere coming, but we were so joined at the hip, it was so crazy. But somewhere in the middle of it, I was like, yo, my whole stomach, everything feels warm. Look down, it was a bloodbath.
Oh, God.
It looked like somebody came and shot the place up. And I got hit 37 times and didn't know it.
You kept going though?
Hell yeah.
Nah.
And the funny thing is, when we both looked, she was like, and she made the face like almost like, my bad.
Yeah.
And I was like,
you're
you know what I'm saying? I'm saying blood clots. And I was like this. Well, we're already The Walking Dead. Let's keep it going.
No, that's filthy. That's
really?
That's
Sharice, you wondering if it was you?
That's
holler.
That's pretty gross.
Some females like sweaty balls. None of these females now, these women are saying they don't, Jay. I don't know.
No, they're gonna say that in public.
Yeah, I guess because it's right. Some women are not gonna.
See, but there's a difference between sweaty and smelly.
Yeah, so you could be sweaty.
Like,
if you got the from under cheese, that's nasty.
Yeah, it could be sweaty.
What cheese?
From under cheese.
But it's not.
Jason said some women smell like halibut. That shit fucked me up.
Yeah, so like I said, I mean, it could be sweaty, but not necessarily stink. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. But if he's like,
any of these females on here, do y'all like sweaty balls?
Like stink and sweaty is two different things. I think so. I think a little sweat is, it is what it is.
Oh, but Sharice agrees with you.
Yeah.
So y'all like some sweaty balls. Little sweat smell is turn you on. Have the man's pheromones mixed with the balls.
They like the extra sodium.
That sounded disgusting. I don't know why you did that. That just was that.
Nah.
I mean, maybe they do. I wouldn't know. No, but I agree with Blue. Everybody's agreeing with Blue. So all you women like sweaty balls. You'll like that man scent. You don't want stinks. Yeah, okay. A little sweat, no stink. Yeah, because
exactly.
Okay. I don't like no little woman sweat at all. I don't know how to smell sweat. I really like sugar and spice.
You never had sex with your woman?
Of course.
Like at the end of the day,
you just don't like it.
And then
we don't like it though, but we don't turn down vagina.
Facts.
Like my girl could have a little sweaty, but it's not. No, I like sugar and spice. Yeah. Everything nice.
Yeah,
I really believe in that sugar and spice.
I'll do it, but I promise you, I'm not.
Like I wasn't a big proponent of sex in the morning and all that because of morning breaths and eye crust and all that. But then when you're in love, it's cool. You just waking up with a chick that you're not really feeling like that. And I'm not doing none of that. It's not gonna happen. You can be mad at me. I don't give a fuck. I'm not kissing you when that eye crusting it. None of that shit is gross. Like when you're hitting it and you look down and she got wild booger crust in her eyes, she don't know and she's sleeping. I don't want that.
I like
if I love her
as a gentleman.
You don't see the booger crust.
If I want to eat my woman out in the morning, I'll go brush my teeth.
Katrina, no, I've done that little mouthwash because I brush at night. Like, little mouthwash, cool. That's That's when you want to come back and seduce and say some slick shit in bed. You can't say it with your fucking pork chop breath. You know what I'm saying? You got to come back with, you know what I'm saying? Hey, baby, you awake? Because if you do that with the nasty breath, if you was all night sleeping when you were snoring, she's going to be turned off. You hit it with the little peppermint voice. It might fuck with her nose hairs for a minute, but now she knows what you did. Just like when a girl does that. You just sneak out of bed, come back, her bad breath is awesome. Because nobody's morning sex is the best. Jay, I got you. Yeah. But bad breath is enough. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's cool if you into the person. Right. If you spent the night with somebody that ain't your joint, that morning sex ain't popping because there's too many fucking variables. You know what I mean? She might have a little toilet paper butt cheese left. Like, everybody's seen that in their girl's joint. Like, everybody. Nobody's immune to that. No toilet paper is filling your girl's booty. Like, I've seen that shit so many times.
Ariel said, I'm not here for the sweaty balls at all.
Yeah, I feel you. No sweaty balls. Morning sex is popping with somebody you care for.
Or Khalil pork chop breath. There's no bueno.
Yeah, that morning.
So I have another question.
Okay, new question.
So
Katrina, what up, baby?
Are any of you that are watching, or maybe you know somebody, do you have a kid with somebody that you've known for less than a year?
Oh,
you're a fucking idiot.
I ain't got no kids, so this don't apply to me.
Do you know anybody like that?
No.
That they have a kid or are pregnant by somebody that they've known less than a year?
No. All the chicks no.
Well, we can't see.
No. All the chicks I know that got kids either met them, know them from high school, or they've been with them for years.
I just feel like in less than a year you're still getting to know that person.
Right, like I don't even know if I like you all the way yet.
Yeah.
Right. G Black, what up, baby? Mike Shelton, what up?
Like there's so many unanswered questions.
Nah, that's too soon to have a kid with somebody. Like, I know people that's moved in and done all that, but then you can take that back by leaving.
Right.
You can't take a baby back.
Right.
Yeah.
And why would you want to have a kid with somebody you know from there?
Oh, Elisa said she knows somebody that she knows some people that have had kids with people that they've known for less than a year. I just feel like that's in the first year, that's like you're still getting to know each other.
Young kids do that shit. Yeah,
like you're still getting to know each other in a year.
I don't know if grown-ups that do that shit.
Okay.
I don't know any grown-ups that do that nonsense. That's not true.
Yeah, because I don't know.
First of all,
not to say that, it can't work out. I guess it's a possibility. But I just feel like, I don't know, because I feel like in the first year, you're trying to figure each other out. You might have little problems here and there, right? But but that's the time when you're going to decide, like, do we want to work this problem out, or do we want to just leave?
Right.
But it's like you have a little problem, but now, she's pregnant. So it's like, what are we going to do?
Why is anybody having unprotected sex under a year? What the fuck is going on?
There are people that know each other for a couple of months.
So I know people who just don't use condoms, period, no matter who they fuck.
Right. I know people like that too, but I'm just like, why? Well, why? What the fuck are you doing? You don't know this person.
Well, obviously they feel comfortable.
Why?
I don't know. I mean,
what the fuck? To me, I swear to God, I've always said this. I've said this on the show. It's women.
Ariel said because raw sex is mad good.
No, it ain't. Yeah. And herpes is wild fresh too.
Facts.
Babies is great. Plan B pills. But it's women. See, that's why. See, it was a woman that said that, right? Dog, I swear to God, on everything I love. I've never asked a girl to have raw sex. It's always chicks decide, let's not use condoms. That's a fact. And most dudes I said the same shit. Niggas don't be, you have the 1 or 2 reckless niggas that don't give a fuck about life. Mostly street ass niggas. They be like, I don't get a condom, shit don't fit. Girls they find the moment and it's like, you don't need that no more. Women.
Yeah, but I also feel like,
and that's the love. That's the fake love mode.
But like I said, I mean, you're still in the first year. You're still getting to know each other.
Why are you going wrong?
And then
first of all, you don't even fully know what type of person
that,
who is.
But
like,
I I just feel like whatever problems you're having in the first year are going to be compounded by the fact that you're pregnant.
I've known my girl for 9 years. I've been with her for 2 years, and I'm having kids years from now.
Yeah, but I mean, I don't know, but having, I don't know.
Yo, you know what y'all love your lives? What the hell? What are y'all doing?
I mean, yeah, judge them if that's what they choose to do.
I'm not judging nobody.
You met the girl who said that she knows if a guy has an STD by looking at his knuckles.
Damn, but this is my point. This is my point. Why are you having raw sex? Condoms are not that bad. And why you want a nigga shoot up your club? You don't know him.
Like, I think we can all agree raw sex feels better, but sex with condoms still feels good. It's still sex.
Yeah.
Like,
and you won't get pregnant and you won't get some luggage. You want luggage? Luggage is real. Want them breakouts? And here's the funny shit, a lot of y'all be in the fucking clinic fucked up. Scabies, all kind of nasty shit. It don't be just the big shit. You have webbing down in your fucking twat all of a sudden.
Well, you can get scabies.
And everybody, and here's another thing. Everybody is fucking. Multiple people. Most people.
Not everybody.
Most people are fucking multiple people. And if you're lying to yourself, you're lying to yourself. Most people are fucking multiple people.
I'm not ruining relationships.
I'm not. No. Listen, if you are in love and you know what your person is, nobody's paying any mind. They're like, fuck you. But most of the people do know what's happening out here. They ain't stupid. So what the fuck you fucking raw for? For the nigga you've been rocking with for a year? Under a year? You're a fucking buggy. You're a fucking everybody he fucked.
So, I have a question. So people that have kids, right? If you're not with with the other parent, are you friends with their new boyfriend, girlfriend, wife?
Yeah, why not?
Like, are you friendly with them?
Why not?
Oh, friendly. Friendly is different. Friends?
What do you mean?
Or friends.
Like, I can't hit them up like, yo, it's good. No, I'm not doing that.
Yeah, Sarisa account for this. I've been nice to all her men that I met over the years.
How's my
friends,
kid?
like, you go have a drink with them?
Like, I go.
She had one that would talk to me all the time. We was cool to a point.
Like, he would talk to you though.
Right.
I talked to him too. Like, I mean, I didn't have no problem. See, this is the thing. I think there's only a problem if you're still into the person.
Mm-hmm.
If I can look at my son's mom and I don't want her no more, she don't want me, to me, there's no problem. Now, there could be a problem for them, so they might not want to be cool with me.
Sure.
Some dudes don't want to fuck with the nigga that's fucking.
Right, like I'm not with her no more, so I don't care.
Right, so to me, whenever I was around, he never had to worry. He didn't see me touching her, holding on her, any extra shit, so there was no problem. Right. He used to come to me about like, yo, can you talk to her? Yo, blah, blah. That's what it was. Like, so yeah, I don't see no problem.
But I've seen like articles and I've seen, sometimes like with celebrities and things like that, like they go on vacations together.
I can do that.
Like,
I would be able to do that. And I don't want to know. I do not care what's happening.
Right, I'm bringing my girl too.
Right, so I don't care.
But I'm just asking, like, how many people are actually friends or actually. Like,
but I think I could do it, like, because I'm like I said, once you don't feel her like that, like there is no feelings. You're not gonna get mad when he's hugging and kissing on. You're not gonna be sitting over there like, if you still have some kind of feeling, I don't see how you can do that. I just don't see, because you're gonna be feeling some kind of way, and it's probably gonna show, and then it's gonna be probably problems. And if you can beat the nigga ass, then it's gonna be like, yeah, well, I'm gonna beat your ass. So.
You know what it is in the hood though? A lot of the reasons why.
Tanya says she agrees with me. Thank you, Tanya.
A lot of reasons why the parents aren't together no more is he was either a dickhead or somebody cheated or something. So they're not with each other anymore. So they might be ill feelings between the two of them.
Right. So now if you break up on some, it just didn't work.
Right.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So there's no
at the end of the
hate.
day, right? I mean, you do have kids together. And I would want to know who's around my kids.
Yeah, you women are catty.
Well, the thing is, so like with my daughter's father, he got with this woman, and I didn't have a problem with meeting her or getting to know her or whatever. She had an attitude with me, and she used to get attitudes with my daughters. Like when my daughter, was home, and then. She was playing with makeup or whatever, and then it was time for her to go with her dad, and she went with the makeup on, and the woman was like, "Why do you have makeup on?" And she's like, "My mom let me," and she's like, "No, go wash your face."
You're
like,
not
you're not
my
allowed
mom.
to wear makeup. Like, you're too young for makeup. Like, bitch, don't come out. I had to call her. Like, you're crazy.
You're not my mom. That's why I got makeup on.
Yeah,
What
but
you talking about?
I don't know. But I don't know. I
Yeah,
think,
but before you address the woman, see, I feel what you're saying. You gotta address the pops because you don't know what leeway he gave her. So she's going by him because he's the parent too. So if you just jump down her throat, you know, you don't know what he told her she can do.
I know. He heard from me too. He heard from me too. Trust me.
You know what I'm saying? So what up, Mark?
Even like when my daughters were really little, you know, he took them out. It was like some miracle. He went out with them. And when they came back, they had clothes, like they had new clothes. And I was surprised that he bought them anything. And my daughter was like, oh no, my new mom bought me these clothes. Ooh. If ever a day was a day that I almost went to jail.
Would it have been better if she said my other mom? Or you did not
no, bitch,
mom?
no.
Okay,
they have one motherfucking mom.
Sorry.
Not a new mom, not another mom. Fuck that bitch. Fuck out of here. No. It would be different if, you know, she had been like in their lives for a long time, or, you know, they had been together since they were little or whatever, and now my daughter's older. And
Did you hear that? Fuck? Look, let me see you. Different rules for different households too. So she can't just trip. Just like you said to me. That's a good point. Yeah.
No. I don't care. See, but that's
his household.
No, but I don't, but that bitch can't tell my daughter what to do.
But she can do that if the father told her she can.
Well, that's why he heard my mouth too.
But this is my point. You can't jump. I wouldn't respect you jumping down her throat first if you don't address him. Like, listen, I heard some shit today we need to discuss because that can't go. Straighten it out. You call my house and start cursing out my girl, and I told her she can do something. We hanging up on you. You're not gonna call now. You call and tell me I do not like this. I do not want to hear it again. That's not that. Then I'm gonna respect you because you're their moms, and I'm gonna straighten out because I would be stupid not to because I want the same thing. I don't want my son calling me like, "Yeah, my new pops said I can say fuck it," because he don't care about cursing. Nah, see, because I'm gonna tell my son one time, you ever curse again, I'm gonna fuck you up. Then I'm gonna call you before I address this nerd because I already know I can beat him. So I'm gonna talk to you real quick so I don't have to whip your man ass and then you think it's because I still like you. I don't want all those problems. So I'm gonna tell you.
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta address those things.
No. I let my daughter know.
You gotta think about those things because like you're like, I know I'm gonna fuck a man up, but she gonna think it's because of her.
Like I said, I let my daughter know. I was like, if you feel like fucking wearing makeup,
as long as she's not putting hands on the baby, yeah.
No.
But I wouldn't respect you just dissing her.
If she put hands on my child, I would be in prison.
Which one did you speak to first?
No, I called him.
Oh, okay. So you did. That's what I'm saying. Okay, you did the way.
And he was just like, oh, I don't know, because he's a stupid fucking dick. So then I had to call her, and I had to let her know that you don't have any fucking daughters. These are my daughters, and you don't tell them what the fuck to do.
Slow mo.
I'm out.
Yeah. You feel the anger? I feel like I'm about to be punched or something.
Elizabeth said that's exactly why I don't deal with men who have.
Paul, what's up? Tasha, what's up? Like, oh no, but you did it the right way. As long as you're saying you address the father, and then if he don't straighten out, then it's your turn to say, okay, well, since you ain't gonna do it, let me let this chick know she don't want that smoke.
We got some controversy, Blue.
Uh-oh.
Ariel said, I think it's wrong to tell your daughter if you want to wear makeup.
She's my daughter. I tell her what the fuck I want to tell her. I tell her whatever I want to tell her.
Wait, she thinks it's wrong for a mother to tell their daughter she can or can't do something?
Yeah.
She's young? She's a daughter or something? But wait, hold on. I'm lost. So if my 8-year-old wants to put on hot red lipstick and a short skirt, I'm supposed to let her do that? Just because she wants to? And then be a fucking rape victim going to school?
No, she said she thinks it's wrong for me to say you can wear makeup if you want to. But she's my child. So if I felt that way, why not?
How old was she?
The thing was, she didn't wear makeup out in the street. She used to wear makeup at home. It just so happened that, you know, we were playing with makeup and it was time for her to go visit her dad. So she went over there.
With the makeup still on?
Yeah. Okay. She was getting right in the car and went to the house. It was late.
No, she was out.
Right.
Yeah, I get it.
You know, we would play in the house with makeup all the time. But, you know, like, even like on holidays and stuff like that, when we were staying in the house, my daughters will put on makeup, looking crazy. But it is what it is. But yeah, I mean, what else is a parent for if they're not going to tell you what to do?
That's what kids do, though. They play with. That's what girls do. They play with makeup.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But yeah. All right. So, at what point does sleeping with another person become cheating?
What do you mean?
So like, if you're dating somebody, is it possible to cheat if you're dating?
This goes. Okay.
Wait.
This goes back, and we have this conversation a lot. It's all about
communication.
The ground rules set from the jump. If it wasn't communicated what each person's definition of dating is, there's gonna be miscommunications all the time.
Okay.
But again, I say this all the time, and I let people know from the jump. When I'm dating you, I'm dating you,
right?
And I expect the same.
Right.
And if that's not what you're trying to do, that's cool because we haven't done anything yet, so I can go elsewhere.
Right.
You feel me?
Right.
But if we just like, we feel each other, y'all just start doing y'all, and then somebody do something, and you feel a way about it. I hate people say you can't get mad because anybody is entitled to feel how they want to. But at the end of the day, you never said that we're exclusively good. Right. You feel me? So it's all
I can have options.
So if you have that conversation like, oh, we're exclusively dating.
Yeah, then anything you do with anybody else is shit.
Right.
And then I have the right to not continue the dating if I want to.
Right.
And you just got to deal with that. Because you're not my girl, but
you're Ariel said that she was saying that I was teaching my daughter not to respect the father's girlfriend and to speak to an adult about parenting, but telling your daughter she can do what she wants is creating an environment of disrespect. And you know what, Ariel, honestly, nothing against you. I didn't really give a fuck because I didn't like that bitch. That's just me. And she's my daughter at the end of the day.
Khalila said everybody has different definitions of dating. You fuck who you want in my case. Oh, good for you. Good for you. And
you know, on my Facebook.
So like if
Troy says, he dates all the time. He's like, there's no such thing. He's like, you're either in a relationship
or you're dating.
Dating, you fuck whoever you want, sleep whoever you want. Relationship, one-on-one.
Right.
Yeah, and that's his definition. Everybody has their own.
But he lost 5 different chicks he was dating. 3 his fault, 2 hers.
Oh,
why?
I guess because sleeping around.
Oh, I thought you have to do that though.
No, he's saying you can, but he's saying there's girls that stop dating him because he keeps sleeping around. Like I guess he's saying listen, I can fuck who I want. We're dating. You don't want to be in a relationship, so we're dating.
Again, it's all about my thing is.
That's why I think there's a difference. I always thought dating is we do what we want, but we're dating. I don't know. Exclusive means we're in a relationship.
Yeah.
Why we're not dating?
Because these days, some chicks would be like, I want to talk to you, but I don't want to be in a relationship yet, so I'm not really sure. But I want to use this time where it's just us to decide whether we're going to really do this. But dudes use that more. True.
Dudes use, I'm dating you, but if you see me rocking with somebody else, you're not my girl. Because as long as you're dating, you can always tell a chick she's not your girl. You put you in. But I had a cousin.
But my thing is, you're going
she knows
into
who she
it
is because she was watching. I had a cousin who I tried to tell this to. She was dating a dude who worked for me. He was dating a dude. She was dating a dude. And they were doing the weekend shit, going away. You know what I'm saying? And she thought they was in a relationship. Till, she once showed up unannounced. That was a bad look for her.
That's
because when a nigga comes out the front door and be like, "What you doing here?" his other date is in the house. and when he constantly tells you, no matter how much we snuggled this weekend, laid up, Netflix and chill, you're not my girl. He's telling you that for a reason. Right. Niggas don't want somebody else who fucked their girl. So most of the time, even if they're lying, they'll lock you down by saying, you're my girl, because I don't want you to fuck while I'm fucking. But if they do not care, they're going to date. Because I don't care what you do, but I got you. Most niggas know they got a girl. Every one of us know when you got a girl and you can hit her with the dating shit, she's not going nowhere. And as long as she can say, I'm dating Rico, you good. But when she calls you 37 times in a row and you don't pick up, and she's like, why you didn't pick up? The first thing a nigga says is, hold on, you're not my girl. Why'd you call me 37 times? I'm pissed off, and now I don't want to talk to you because you called me 37 times in a row, and you're not my girl.
You're not it, man.
But when she's sucking your dick that Saturday, you're like, oh my God, I love you so much. You're so fabulous.
I don't know. I just feel like.
It is communication.
No, it is communication.
But that whole exclusively dating, that's a relationship.
Right.
So just say you're my girl.
But I also feel like anytime, and this is just my opinion, I feel like anytime you feel like you have to lie to someone, then you're cheating somehow. No?
Well, that's in your head. That's how you're feeling. So maybe you think you're in a relationship. If you feel you're doing something wrong, then obviously you have led that person to believe something, and you know you're doing against it. Like if you're sitting there saying, niggas hitting it, it's like, this is mine, I'm the only one in it, and you're like, yeah, and you know you're lying.
We're the only one in it right now. I mean, nobody else is
here.
That's
dope because that's how men see it. You're the only one sucking it right now. So then when you find out 8 other chicks suck the same dick in the same week, you can't be mad because you had the same first thought. Your first thought was you're the only one in it now. And we're dating, and nobody's boyfriend or girlfriend. So everything is up for grabs. As soon as you start putting in special stipulations, here we go. It's cheating when the relationship is mutually established and someone steps out of the lines of the relationship. Exactly, right. Not dating.
They're not dating.
There has to be boundaries put in place. Dating and relationship. See, I don't believe that. Marriage and relationships is different from dating. That's why they're all different words. They don't all mean the same shit. And dating to me is I'm dating Blue, then I'm dating Renee. I'm dating now. Blue asks me, like, are you only dating me? This is where the line becomes in, because if you're keeping it 100 and we're dating, I could be like this, and I date you, but I'm not saying it's exclusive. But exclusive, I've always said, girls, when I was dating, girls would tell me, if we're exclusive, why aren't we a couple?
Mm-hmm. This is the thing, right? So when I date, I know a lot of dudes when they play in the field, they're doing options.
Right.
I do the same
thing. What up, Chris?
I just do it one at a time. You feel me?
Right.
I'll date a chick for a couple of weeks, maybe 2-3 months, to see if I actually want to be in a relationship with her. Again, she's not my girl, but I'm dating. We're not together.
Yeah, but that's a good point. But after a couple of months, here's my thing.
We have to have that conversation. Yeah, after a couple of months, we have that conversation.
When ask any dude, we're here. After 6-7 months, like when I was talking about people having sex and doing too many things too soon, that's what I mean. But after a couple of months, okay, say you 7-8 months in, you kind of know how you see this woman.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? It's either I want to lock it down because I don't want nobody else fucking her.
Right. Or I don't.
Or it's like, or you also realize sometimes, you know, she's more on me than I'm on her. Mm-hmm. So you can keep doing the same thing because they're not going to go though.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And girls do the same thing. Girls have what I call the gay boyfriends, and I've been saying that for years, is the dude that does all the boyfriend shit. She knows he wants to be her man, but he's not in her head ever going to be her man, and she keeps rocking with him. He goes out with her. He takes her out. He does all the boyfriend shit. She don't fuck him. She don't do those things with him. She has Khalid who comes through and smashes it because that's what she's crazy about. Mm-hmm. But this dude does everything. They go out to fancy places. He'll even take her on a trip. Guys know, and girls know. What them girls always tell us, they know within the first couple of dates if they're gonna fuck a dude. It's all up to him not to fuck it up. Mm-hmm. So if I'm fucking with you for a while long, I already know you girl material, you not. Because I don't want you. So that's all this exclusive dating on. Nah, you my girl. You crazy. You wifey. You that. You gonna put all those stigmas on her. So she's like, yes, throwing it up. Like, I'm not giving this shit to nobody. This is all Rico's. It's his. That's my man. That's my. Who doesn't want that? Who wants their girl that you really care about in the street able to fuck whoever she wants?
Listen, I let girls know from the jump. Like, listen, I like you. I like to see where this goes. So if you could respectfully not fuck nobody in the next couple of weeks, just a couple of weeks. Just a couple of weeks.
Let's just see where it goes.
Right, just for a couple of weeks. And again, after that trial period.
Now listen, I've never had that conversation.
I have.
I've never had that.
I keep it straight up.
At 45, I've never. But what I have done is once I know, I'll let a girl know. You know, nah. I want you.
That's
I don't want no. See, because I'm like that. I don't want nobody to touch you.
Right.
So, understand.
I mean, listen.
But that shit is hilarious.
Like, listen, we can fuck or we can not. It's up to you. It's whatever. I'm gonna respect your boundaries. But again, for the next 4 or 5 weeks, if you could just not fuck nobody else, if you like me, we keep it going. If not,
see, the funny thing is, and I'm gonna keep it on. I told you, y'all laughing at me before. I've never fucked a girl within months or weeks. Like, it's always been a progression.
And again, when I date, I don't fuck either.
Yeah, like
again, I'm trying to see if I want to be with you.
I'm weird.
And if I don't want to, why am I fucking you?
That's what my mom's Dolly shouts to you. Like, she put in my head, like, why waste dick on a girl you don't want to rock with, and you don't know.
Wow.
But it's always girls saying that, and you don't hear guys say that enough. Like, I'm not just putting my dick in a girl just to put it in my. Like, jerking off is way better. I keep telling people sometimes. Like, you want to waste that energy on something you really want to put energy into. Right. Fucking women is energy, especially at my age now. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that dating shit, dating is dating. That's why it's called dating. Relationship is a relationship. After 6 months, listen,
I call it.
You might even have sex, but now you know it's like, damn, that shit feel good. I love her. She take care of me. She treated me. Listen, we in a relationship. I'm good. I want to try this. You might fail. You know, after 6 more months, you might feel different about her, but you're trying to lock it down. Niggas try to lock shit down they want. Right. Period. I'm back. Had a phone call.
All right, so
perfect new topic.
Do you look for qualities in another person that you don't possess?
No.
Elaborate. Like something that they
like somebody who's like organized and dedicated and shit. When you know you're not organized, you think this should be a good partner because I'm not the organized type, so we can't both be organized. Or like, you know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. That's what you're kind of talking about, right?
Like looking for qualities in other people that you don't possess.
Like your girl's a bookworm and you're like not there, but you're in school, so you're like, I'm a big hug. And she gonna help me study and she's dead. You know what I'm saying? Somebody that you might qualities that you might
fuck
lacking.
yourself up doing that kind of shit. Because like, hold on, I'm not trying to do this for both of us though. Like,
that's what I'm saying. Is that a reason you wouldn't do it? I've never looked for it.
I just go straight up for vibe.
But I think opposites attract though.
True.
Sometimes.
Because
when you both are kind of the same, it becomes sometimes it's an issue or sometimes it's great.
Sometimes
I've had both.
You know what it is though? I feel like opposites seem a little bit at first it's just kind of like I don't know, but like I feel like if you are really like a person, at first it could seem like a lot of fun. You're like, yo, you get me. You feel me? Then after a while it's just like
But you know what? I also think I think when you're opposites, I think sometimes at first it can be difficult. Mm-hmm. But then I think after a while, you kind of figure out how to balance each other out.
And it depends.
You know what I mean? Like with me, I have zero patience. Mm-hmm. So you have to have the patience because I have none. Right. You know what I mean? And then, like I said, at first, you might be like, oh my God, can you relax? And I'm like, no. You know what I mean? So I think after a while, you learn how to balance each other out. Mm-hmm. And I think that, you learn how to, like, I might learn how to tell you, like, Rico, okay, like, relax. Like, you're getting a little bit much right now. Right. Where at first you don't really know how to do that because you don't really know each other. Right. But after a while, it might not bother you as much because you already know how I am. Right. Or I know how you are. Right. And then it's just like, okay, you're having, and you can say it, like, you're having a moment right now. Relax, bring it down a notch. You know what I mean?
I feel like it's kind of good to have that kind of person too, because like if you didn't have that kind of person, you like, I tell my girl all the time, we got to check each other. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? Because if not, again, I saw this meme the other day. Every girl got two type of friends. One that's going to check you and one that's going to amp you. Mm-hmm. You feel me? So if you got certain qualities about you that aren't so great, having somebody that's just like you, y'all out here looking crazy together. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Instead of having somebody like, oh, hold on now, like, you know what I'm saying? Not trying to change who you are, but just like sometimes you got to tone certain shit down. You know what I mean? And again, if you have somebody who can balance you like that, that's kind of dope. Like me and my girl are complete opposites. Like, like going into it, we know like, yo, this is going to be some work. And we knew that. Like, we still trying to find that balance straight up. Right. But it's just like, before her, wasn't nobody checking me because I got a crazy tempo, whatever. My girl, she don't do that yelling shit, no none of that. Like before, like, I broke up with several chicks just over arguments because they pissed me off to a certain point or whatever. You feel me? Like, because like I get up there and then they get up there and then I'm saying then it's just not healthy. But her, she's like, I'm not gonna go up there with you because that's not me. You feel me? And I need that kind of person because if we just going at it, you feel me? Like I'm crazy. You know what I'm
need
saying?
a balance. Yeah, exactly.
Right. So I think balance is important. I don't necessarily think we look for that, but like Cho said, I feel like opposites do attract. So sometimes you just end up with that kind of person, if that is the person that you end up.
But I think there are people who will look for somebody. Oh, you know, I want somebody who's successful. I want somebody who's this, who's that, and they are nothing like that.
I know a lot of people like that. They're like, I feel like, and I've had conversations like this with my homies, because we all grew up in the hood, and I feel like certain people didn't come from the same kind of household that I did or whatever. So I was like, oh, I want to do that. I'm like, yo, bro, like how can you expect so much from a person when you're not even bringing even close to that to the table? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like, and then it's like now like you're requiring this of people. And it's just like, how dare you? You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, like you gotta check yourself before you expect people to be a certain way. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. It's a tricky thing, especially going into relationships, dealing with the type of people. You know what I'm saying? And again, I feel like a lot of people, that's why I do like to quote unquote date. You feel me? Like, let's act like we together for a little bit, because I feel like some people put on that peacock show just to get you. And then when it's 6, 7, 8 months down the line, you realize what type of person that person really is. And it's like, now you stuck in that goddamn, like, I don't want to be with this person no more. That's what I'm saying, man. And that could be what it is. You know what I'm saying? You
gotta give it some time.
Right. Like, I've been in plenty of situations where at first it was super dope. I was like, yeah, let me hold this down. Then after a while, it's like, I really don't like this motherfucker for real.
Yeah, and then by that time, you've been together for 2 months, and she's like, you know, 3 weeks pregnant.
And she's, oh yeah, she, ooh.
Oh, God.
And
now you're stuck. And now you
stuck for real. Even if y'all not together, you still got to deal. It's crazy, man. It's crazy.
Hey, Arette.
Bro G, what up, bro?
Keith, Gina, me. But yeah. So, do you have a type? Like when you're dating or when you're looking, it might be looks, it might be personality wise, it might be like, do you have a type?
Oh, it's funny because I do this every once in a while. I just look back at all the different girls I dated. All of them completely different. All of them.
Yeah.
Is it like looks wise or personality wise?
Listen, my girl that I'm with now is the thickest girl I've ever been with. Period. Like my entire life I've always been with slim chicks. Right. Always. Right. I just, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, was that just like a preference? Like
it's just how it happened. Like, I've been with maybe two or three. That was the point when you like got with
yeah, see, I can believe that.
Like a certain type you were just going for.
Right.
But again, it's not like I was maybe subconsciously, but I wasn't actively looking for that specific type of woman. You know what I'm saying? That's just, I'm saying maybe that's just who I ended up being drawn to. But I wasn't sitting down like, yeah, I could only be with this type of girl. Like,
you know, I guess it was like a fetish. Like you had a fetish for like one type.
And I go through a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? I like women. Period. I just love beautiful women. Like sometimes I really like I've got craving like a nice dark skinned chick or whatever. Sometimes I don't care. Like I just love women.
What about you? Do you have a type?
As long as you're not stupid.
I like semi bitchy chicks, semi with like smart mouths and shit, and I like girly girls. Like girls, I'm not big on jeans and Jordans and all that shit and sneakers. I like chicks wearing heels, skirts, dressing. I like sex. My mom's is a dresser. Like she always dressed like that. So I didn't see my mom's walking around with jeans and sneakers. So I never liked girls like that, which used to get me in trouble a couple of times when I used to say that shit. But yeah, so I don't know. But I like smart alecks and smart chicks. Dated some goofy ones.
I dated one hood rat chick in my life. I think it was because I was going through, like, I thought back of how old I was when I was like 18, 19.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, I must have been going through some shit in my life. I'd even look back and say, like, what the fuck was I thinking? Like,
I don't know. I think for me, I think I have like a physical type, but I don't think it's a conscious thing. It's just, I guess it's just
I think
like
a lot
who
of
I'm
it is
attracted
subconscious,
to.
yeah.
You know what I mean? Like I like bigger guys, definitely tall guys. We've had this discussion about shorties.
Yeah.
I definitely like tall guys. And I like bigger guys.
See, like, I don't want to say that,
big
like,
dudes in the building.
I don't want to say that small chicks are my type. I'm just really not attracted to super big.
Quan says, I've been in the Navy for 17 years. My wife is...
Even before that, I wasn't really into that.
With my wife for 5. And when I go away for like 6 months, a year, I tell her not to stop living. If there's something she feels she's doing, if she steps out, I ask that it not spill into the street. I guess he's saying, because he's a military man,
he knows he's not around.
Here,
like,
he knows he's not around. I guess he's saying, basically, if she does something, don't let it get into the street. Keep it, do it discreetly. That's what it seems like he's saying. But he says he's been with his wife for 5 years. He's been in the Navy 17 years.
Is this going back to the conversation about the cheating?
A robot?
Buy her a sex robot.
Drop that 15 stacks.
I know
sex robot. Put your face on it.
I know an attorney used to work with me. Him and his wife been together for like 11 years. And like, he said that was the reason. Like, if they ever met somebody over there 11 years, the other one would tell the other one, and they do what they got to do.
Like, I'd rather
exactly.
I'd rather you do it and not know it,
and then just lie and just be in. They were white, but he was like, his father told him going into marriage, like, find somebody that's gonna understand you, and like being faithful ain't really a part of marriage. That's what he said to him. So when he found his wife, they had that discussion, and she was like with it.
Keith, is that question directed towards me? So what do you think about women who have crazy compulsions, like buying shoes and shoes and shoes and more shoes?
My thing is, if you're being financially responsible, if you're not living in debt because you buying shoes,
here's the difference. Your bills are paid, but you still got money, or you're complaining.
That's what I'm saying. As long as you're
buying shoes.
That's what I'm saying. So if you're financially responsible, it's no problem. If you go buy your shoes and you good, you know what I'm saying? You're not out here struggling because, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you still got money in the bank, you good.
Yeah, because you have people that buy sneakers and shit and then want to complain they can't get nowhere. Right. But you just brought this, and this.
Like, you got the new Yeezys, but you asking for a swipe on the train. Like, all right, brother, get your priorities together.
Yeah, or you got shit you want to do in life,
and you
can't because you buying bullshit.
True. That's what I'm saying.
But then those are the people that love to complain.
But I mean, there are also people. I mean, just like that. Like, there are people who buy. Like, my girlfriend, she was just dating a guy, and she got into arguments with him because he had like all of the PlayStations. Like, he had a PlayStation. He had the PlayStation 2, the PlayStation 3, and the PlayStation 4. Yeah, like the Xbox. Why was she complaining? Why was she complaining? Because she was just saying, like, he just had all these systems, and like he wouldn't even use all of them. It's like, as you know, when one came out, he just had to buy it.
But my question is, what was her actual problem? If her problem is him just having it, then
can he pay his bills? His bills paid?
No, his bills were paid.
Why does she care?
So if the problem is just that he had, because a lot of people complain, like, why do you have all this stuff? You don't need it. That's not your business. It's mine.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? For real.
Same thing women say when they have a bunch of shoes. Like, why do you have so many? You just sit there and walk. Because I can't.
Right. If your only problem is you have them and you feel like I shouldn't have them, that's your problem.
Yeah, that's
I don't
your
care.
problem.
Okay, how you feel about that?
But now, if you're complaining and you got all that shit, then it's a problem.
Yeah.
You know, or if I got to help you pay bills that if you give up ODing with your shopping hand, you know, I got niggas that's about to leave their women off of their shopping habits. Like, nah, you're not, no. Every time we just pay the bill and we owe another bill, but you just bought wild shit off of Walmart and Kmart and shit and Shoe Dazzle?
Yeah, it's Shoe Dazzle.
You're fucking bugging. You're fucking bugging.
Yo, me and my girl have been scamming Shoe Dazzle for a minute. See, what you do is you create the account, you know, they give you the free pair.
They give you the free pair.
You cancel it, you feel me, and you just open a new account with a new email address.
With a new email address.
I'm not paying for that shit.
Get new shoes, yeah.
Right, just get the new shoes. Fuck that. Huh?
You just help somebody with their shoes.
I'm pretty sure mad people are doing that.
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
Great answer, guys. We tried. You know.
All right. So, would you be okay with signing a prenup?
Did you say this last week?
We didn't get to it.
Yeah, I don't think we got through it though. But yeah, why not?
Yeah, I don't care.
So
if it's not my bread, I don't give a fuck. She's famous and got it. I don't care.
No, not famous. Just right now.
I don't care.
So my
if I marry my girl, I don't plan on divorcing. If we get divorced, whatever.
We both get what we came into, and then we split what we made together.
Right.
That's all a prenup is. You got $500,000. Your girl got $1 million. You signed a prenup, meaning anything before, she can't touch. You can't touch. So you can't touch none of her $1 million. But once y'all are married, everything that's made is split equally. That's a prenup.
Okay.
Well, so my girlfriend, she's getting married, and she said, she said that she felt like a little bad because like her mom, like she takes care of all of her mom's assets.
Thanks, Rico.
So she asked her fiance to sign a prenup just because all of her mom's assets are also in her name. So and then he was, she said she could tell like he was a little hurt, and he was like, "But I would never do that to you. I would never." And she's like, I'm not saying you would,
but I gotta protect my shit.
And she's like, but at the end of the day, you don't know how people are gonna react when they're angry or they don't want to be together or whatever the case is. And she's like, and these are not my assets; these are my mother's assets.
Right.
So she's like, and that's the only reason I would ask you to sign it.
That's cool. I mean,
I wouldn't be mad at her for that.
Yeah. And if you don't want to do it, then you don't.
No, she said he agreed. He didn't really argue. He just, she said he just kept saying like, but I wouldn't do that to you. And she's like, and she said that she felt a little bad, but at the end of the day, she's just like,
sounds good.
She's like, I'm not doing this for myself.
Everybody says they won't do shit to you until they do it.
Right.
Exactly.
Everybody tells you that bullshit.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I wouldn't have problems.
Sounds real good.
Would you ask somebody to sign a prenup?
Yeah, why not?
You would?
Yeah, I want some shit. I want them to be able to get my shit. Fuck out of here. I own shit. Like I got low stocks and stuff. You're not getting that shit. Why? Why should you get that? You ain't earning that shit.
Right.
No.
Right. Like if I
come into the relationship and I'm worth with all my shit $100,000.
Right. Like
you're worth nothing.
Right.
No.
You're worth nothing.
Sign this shit.
You're worth nothing.
You're worth nothing. You don't have no assets. You don't have shit. Sign this. Because you're not getting the shit I had before. You can share with everything I make after.
Right.
Well, because we're a couple. But you don't need to get into because people get.
We weren't a couple.
Like you said, people get nasty. Like, oh, he got enough. When we came into the had a little 100,000 too. I want some of that shit. No, did you sign this? You don't want none of my shit because you were marrying me for love. You married me for love. He's like, I don't want your bullshit. I want your name and be with you.
Ooh,
and then as soon as you mad, like, so you fuck that fat bitch? I want all your shit.
Yeah,
all your shit.
Put my money where your mouth is.
Yeah. You put something else there already, so you should have no problem with this. Boom. Get it.
Men
Wouldn't you make it if you was worth 100,000 and your man wasn't worth shit? You don't want him to sign a prenup?
Yeah.
What if you fuck somebody? He's like, I want all your shit. I want that 100,000 she had before that. I want all that. You think he earned that shit? That was your hard work. You know what I'm saying? Whoever you was fucking before, now you did all that work on your own. You ain't suck no dicks and lick no sweaty balls.
I don't do things like that.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Not for money. Not for money. All right. So do you think that a relationship can go back to exactly the way can go back to exactly the way it was?
No.
After a person.
Nope.
I don't think so either.
Nope, it can't. Because one,
fuck
you create them trust issues, right?
Fuck you.
Trust is one thing that trust can be repaired, but never fully.
Right.
You feel me? Like if say if I cheated if my girl trusted me 100%, and then she found out I cheated, she can learn to trust me again, but she would never fully, because she cannot unfeel that feeling that she felt when she found out that I cheated.
Well, yeah, if it's cheating involved, I think. Right. Yeah, I agree.
But I also feel like
it can feel good for the cheater because they feel like everything's good again, but for the person who got cheated on, I never feel the same.
Yeah, because, and then the other thing is, I also feel like at the end of the day, if that person takes a little bit too long to come home, or if the person is,
you might have saw someone.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, oh shit, he might be out cheating again. It's like you don't want to feel that way, but you didn't feel that way before they cheated the first time, but they did. So
right,
you know.
Yeah, I think a relationship could be repaired, And I think you can continue the relationship if that's what you choose to do. But I don't think it can ever go back to the way it was.
Like y'all can work again, absolutely.
Yeah.
But it'll never be how it was before.
No, I agree. I don't think that's possible.
Yeah, I don't think it is either.
You think it could be better?
Mm-hmm.
Better for who?
She cheated on me, or we just broke up?
No, she cheated.
Yes, she cheated.
No, I'm never doing that for her. No. She has cheat dick in her. I'm good.
Maybe what if she just sucked it?
It doesn't matter.
What if she just? What if she jerked the nigga off? She can't have no dick in her. It's in her hand.
The nigga could have just sucked the tits.
Another man penis.
Exactly. You understand? Like
you took your shirt off.
She has
been
nigga. Violated, brother.
Facts.
And she was my girl being violated. So whatever, how many times? That means a couple of times she came home to me and I tongue kissed her, and she had dick in her mouth.
What if she's your wife?
It don't matter how much she brushed her teeth that day. She could have still had like 3 pubics in one of her teeth.
You're not going to try to work it out.
You might send me gay after that too.
You're not going to try to work it out. She's your wife.
No.
Go to therapy.
No.
It would just be over. That's it.
If I found out, like I found out, or she just told me. She came in.
What if she told you?
If she told me,
I'm still mad. Fuck you.
Yeah, I'm mad.
She's like, I did something and I feel terrible about it, and I can't not tell you.
Yeah, but she has to tell me. She has to tell me everything. So we sit there and be like,
okay, but what if she's like 2 years ago?
That's even worse. It's over.
Y'all know me. I'm the same dude. Once a penis has been in it, I got issues. Like, it's always gonna haunt me. So there's gonna be like, I had a girlfriend who cheated on me, and I'm telling you, I missed the shit out of her. I used to go to Brooklyn. She'd call me with the bullshit like,
smash it.
Dog. I would smash it because I'm telling you, I don't fuck. I was never big on fucking around. So even when I was going through my shit with her, like, I wasn't doing anything because I really wanted to get back with her. Like, I would go to the movies with her. She had a car, didn't she? Come pick me up.
You just knew you couldn't do it.
But this is what would happen every time we go, like clockwork. We fuck. I'd be laying in the bed, laying next to her like this. And she would move and I'd be like, fucking.
Yes, right, because once you get that nut, like that clarity is.
But now I'm thinking,
it's like when you watch a porn.
Because
right?
what I'm thinking of, I'm sitting here with my wet, I'm sitting here with my wet dick. She's got cum dripping on her, and I'm sitting there thinking to myself like this.
Some other nigga did the same shit to you.
Yo, that's it. There's nothing special about you no more.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? When your girl is your girl or your man is your man, they're special because they're yours. What's special about them if you're sharing them? Right? Like, what is special about that girl now? As beautiful as she was and everything, like you said, every moment you do, when you kiss her, you're sitting there thinking, this nigga was doing this. You know what I'm saying? She puts on something sexy, you like, she put something sexy on for that nigga. There's nothing, that's what love's about, right? That's why your girl is your girl. If you found out, if you left here today and she sat you down, I was like, Rico, 7 months ago when we had that big argument, I ran into my ex, I sucked his dick, and he gave me back shots.
So now I'm going to think every time you get mad at me, you're going to go violent. Nah.
That's my point. So it's like, you know, people always laugh at me with the special shit, but special means special.
I agree with you, Joseph. I agree with you.
So if she cheated, now, you know what I'm saying? Like, that real, like, you might be able to recover from other things. But you cheated?
Like, you actually went out and did some shit.
Like, how do I fucking get that right in my mind?
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like, even when you do it and you're the cheat, sometimes you can't get that right in your mind. You feel like a dirtbag forever. Even though you're the cheat, you're like, damn, I'm such a fucking dirt. Then you feel you deserve everything you get. Mm-hmm. That's the other dumb shit we do. Like, you're a cheater and you're like, okay, yeah, she did that to me, I deserve that. Oh, this one did this for me. I deserve that too. I'm a piece of shit, so, you know, piece of shit deserves whatever he gets. You know what I'm saying? So it's either way. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how I've always seen it. I don't know how everybody else see it, but that's how I see it. So I don't think, we could be cool. We might be friends again. We might even fuck, because I fucked that girl that I'm talking about. She was my ex. We used to fuck, but it turned out to be the same way every time. I walked out on her in a movie one time and had to take a cab all the way to the Bronx. Spent $80 because she was sitting there and started rubbing my leg in the theater. She had a short skirt. We were seeing Ronin, that De Niro movie. That's how long ago this was. So I put Green Acres Mall, Green Acres movie theater. Mind you, fans, Sunrise.
That's not
dog. But do you understand how far it is for a nigga to live in the Bronx?
That's dumb, D. That's about me.
Brother, I left and took a cab. Lucky I had got paid because she started putting my hand, and I was like, you never did freaky shit like this before. She had my hand up on her fucking, in her skirt in the movie theater. I was like, oh, this new nigga taught you that shit. Oh, I'm out. That's how stupid I was. I'm out. She's like, where you going? I'm getting a cab. I'm leaving. You're a whore.
Your relationship was fire.
I said, yeah, it was fire. She set me ablaze. But that's my point. That's what I said. And I was so mad. My own mother was like, you paid $85. You let that bitch bring you back home? I was like, I had to make a point that I didn't need her in her car.
You would have had to take a 45-minute bus ride just to get to the train.
Brother.
And then that train wouldn't even take you to the Bronx.
This how dumb I am. I'm thinking the cab nigga's gonna tell me $50. We got to Alexandria. And he was like, dumb happy.
Bro, you ain't asked before he pulled up.
I was mad heated.
He said you pull up, you let him pull the window down.
Hold on, check it out. Now this is before cell phones, so I couldn't even argue. Stupid babe. She just kept hitting my beeper. My beeper just kept going over her number, and I was like, I'm not gonna call you back when I get to the block and get on the payphone with some quarters.
Oh my God.
Life was quite different.
Okay, so you have a girlfriend.
That was so funny.
So with your girlfriend,
yes.
Do you feel like yes, we know. Do you feel like you're more sensitive when it comes to her? Not as far as but like when she says things to you.
Yeah, when she
if she says something to you or if I say something to you, you'd be more sensitive.
I think you're a perfect example, right? As y'all can see, I've been growing on my head, right?
Yeah,
my girl
see.
Hates it. If you was to tell me, I wouldn't give a fuck. She says to me, I'd be like, okay, I'll cut it. Okay, I'll cut it. I don't want to cut it. I don't.
No, but it's not. You're just not so much that you're just like, oh, right, I'll cut it. But just you're sensitive. You're like, damn, she doesn't like it.
Yeah, like I feel like
more sensitive.
Because I personally think, especially when I get a shape up, I think it's kind of fly. She's like, I don't like it. I'm just like, but I thought it was dope though. I don't know. Yeah, I'm definitely more sensitive about her than what she has to say about certain things. And
Caroline, happy birthday. What a go.
What about you? What? Do you feel like you're more sensitive?
Yeah, to a girlfriend or something, you saying?
No, not that you're sensitive towards her, but like when you're in a relationship with somebody and they say things to you, do you feel like you're more sensitive to the things that they say rather than somebody else?
Yeah, I guess everybody. You care more about the people you care about than motherfuckers in the street. I've never been big on what people in the street though, but my moms and people like that, yeah, I care. Because I feel they know me. So if they're saying some shit to me, then
it's a reason.
It's a reason.
Right.
Something more to it, To your dick. Yo, what the fuck?
The reason she is.
So yeah, I would say yeah.
Like let's say I go to the barbershop, right? My barber like, yo, Regal, you putting on a little weight. I'd be like, haha. My girl say, I'm like, oh, she thinks I'm fat.
Exactly. You're like, oh my God.
and I feel away, and then we wouldn't have sex that day. She's like, what's wrong? I'd be like, nothing. Because you call me fat. Nah. Definitely more sensitive to what my lady has to say.
I'll be considerate more. I don't know how I would always do it. Like before.
No, I'm gonna cut this shit.
I need a haircut. Just handy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Before somebody said, "Oh, look, you need a haircut," I'm like, "You gonna buy for it?" But somebody else, like my girl, my mom, like, "Time to cut your haircut." I'm like,
"Nah, my mom told me I need a haircut." I'd be like, "All right, ma, whatever."
All right, yeah.
One thing that works, my grandma would say no.
Okay, fine. But that's because I didn't get hugs as a kid. Maybe if my mom hugged me when I was a kid, if she said I need a haircut, I'd go get one. She's like, "Oh yeah, you should cut." Oh, shut up.
Oh, that means my son will definitely cut it because he's always getting hurt.
That's what they do. Anything you would do.
Of course I would.
Except kill and rape somebody.
Well, I mean, there might be reasons for the things he does.
Next topic.
Wow. That was funny.
Yeah, but I am. I try not to be, but I definitely am.
You can't help it. You can have to. And that's why in a relationship,
and it's annoying to me though.
You know what it is, and that's why in relationships, like your partner always know what to say that's gonna get under you.
Yes.
And nobody else can say it and it'll bother you. But if it's coming from your partner, they know exactly what to say. They know your buttons.
Right.
And they can push it.
Yeah.
My girl chooses to push my buttons all the time. But I love her. I don't push buttons either.
Oh, we were asking if you're more sensitive, when you're in a relationship and the person says things to you rather than just anyone else. That's what we were talking about, Gwen. So we were talking about this the other day. So what do you think are the rules of being a gentleman?
It's a lot of rules. But
Okay.
I feel like we could break down some of them.
Okay.
Why are you looking at me like that? see, my pops was a scumbag.
Okay.
He was. My pops was a super thot, but he was a gentleman.
Okay. In what
He
way?
knew how to treat women.
Mm-hmm.
You feel me? But he was just treating
That's
a lot of.
That's why he was a thot.
Right. He knew how to treat women, but he just happened to be treating a lot of women. You feel me? My pops taught me
Shayna, what's up, girl?
how to and how not to speak to women. You know what I'm saying? I've never called a woman a bitch. I've told a woman she's being a bitch, but I don't count it as calling her a bitch, even though she thought I was calling her a bitch, but I wasn't. I said, you're being a bitch right now. I don't like that because you're not a bitch, so don't be who you're not.
I would think that's what
You know what I'm saying? So be who you are because you're not a bitch. So don't be a bitch because you're not a bitch. So I appreciate it. You just be yourself.
In order to be a gentleman, you have to know the value of a woman.
That's a fact.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the problem is most women don't know their value.
That's true.
That's what makes men, that gives men the ability to be a thot, because most women devalue themselves, so you can treat them how you want to treat them.
Opening doors, walking on the right side
even
of the
the shit,
street.
what up, Trina? Even the shit we just said
bill,
earlier about dating, relationships, and all that. That's how you can finagle that shit, because most women don't know their value.
True.
So they'll take what they have to, especially if they're on you. You know, same thing with guys. You got guys like you had that ass clowns that paid for apartments and did shit, were getting nothing, all in hopes because they didn't value themselves. It was like, I'm going to show her with my money that I'm worthy. And that just made them look like more ass clowns. You have women that use their bodies in the same way men use money. True. Like, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do everything to this man, and he's gonna realize I'm it. And then it's like, I've already got everything. I don't need anything else. Plus, she do the same thing that you do. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can go on Instagram every day and see a beautiful woman. So how can you value any woman so super high when there's a million of them showing you themselves every day?
You know what my pops always told me? He said, don't do anything to a woman that you'll be mad if somebody did to your mama.
Oh, well, there's a lot of shit I've done to women that not my mama.
Not that way. Not that way.
I was about to say.
Not sexually.
Oh, shit.
But I just mean like socially.
Smack Dolly in her face. She did some shit the girls have done to me.
Let me tell you something.
Whoa, we're not going here. No, we're not going there. Really?
All of it.
Why do you always team up with
your mama, your grandma?
But why? Your grandma,
your great grandma.
Really, you too?
But Christine,
your slave ass great.
Also, I'm one of 10.
I'm one of 7.
I learned was from my grandfather, uncle, mother.
That's true, Rico.
Facts.
Listen, I got a headache. That just gave
me Chris, but
that just gave me a fucking headache.
But Chris, what do you
think? Smack Dolly when I go to Columbus.
The favorite thing about your ex, just know that your mama did it.
Yeah.
Hell no.
But a couple of people.
Nah. I did some shit with my ex. I don't think a lot of women do.
She learned it from? She learned it from her mom.
Nah. my ex was problematic.
What Black Elsa says, show me your mama made a hoe.
But Chris, you said everything you learned, but what do you think are some rules to being a gentleman, Chris?
I think you're doing the right thing. Like, even with your with her, like, say for example, you walking down the street and you see somebody need help and you go out to it, like, it's not nothing for you to help them.
You know,
so the thing that I was reading.
He's a nice guy.
I see people who don't help women with carriages down the steps. That kind of annoys me. It's just like, bro. Like,
does that make you a gentleman or just makes you a good person?
That's the thing. I
think gentlemen and good people is two different things.
True.
Like, I don't know. Being a gentleman, it's just it's not so many things you can say because it can come off corny. Like we're just saying it to say it. I think women know a gentleman from a non-gentleman.
No, of course they do. But I'm just saying, like, so the thing that I was reading, it was saying, like, if you're a gentleman, like, when you go to a restaurant, like, you don't order before her.
True. I always let her lead with.
But most men do that.
You don't start eating before she.
I do that.
I don't know if I go with.
I do that. It annoys the hell out of my girl. I'll be sitting there. She's like, "Babe, eat." And I'm like, "Your food's not here." She's like, "Babe, just eat. You're hungry." I was like, "No, your food's not here." So I'll sit there. My food be steaming. She'll pick at my food.
I don't know about that.
I'll eat my food before.
I will get tight if you do that though. I'm just like, listen, I'm waiting for your food to come. Don't eat my food. Like if I'm waiting, you need to wait. I'm like, God, you couldn't even let me get the first bite of my own food. Shit, I'm trying to be respectful for you.
You always complaining about her eating from your plate.
Stop doing it. Shit's annoying. I love you though, for real. Because you watching, then you gonna text me, and
you already know. You already know.
Ding! God damn it! Oh, so you don't like it? All right, I love you.
Yes, I am a gentleman. Yes, I am.
So because even like Chris is chivalry. Is it dead?
No. It's crippled.
How is chivalry dead? Men treat women.
I was asking.
No, I'm just saying it can't be dead because you'll see men treating women like goddesses all the time. It's just, all that chivalry is dead shit. Is bullshit.
It's because
women just complain. They get convenient amnesia when they're mad. That's a fact. They'll pick out every little thing you do over all the charming shit you do.
They'll tell you everything you don't do.
Right.
It's like, okay, that's
all that's nonsense.
I'm sorry.
And men
about
do
that.
the same thing to women. It's both ways.
That's a fact.
You know, your girl's all of a sudden the worst in the world, but she does your laundry, cleans your thing. Like, come on. Makes you dinner, and now you mad because one day she forgot to put your shit you dry cleaning in. Like, the fuck? I work dumb hard, but motherfucker, I work too. You ain't taking care of me. Stop playing. Everybody does that. Like, you know. I think a gentleman is just treating a woman how you want somebody to treat your mom. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you want somebody to open the door, you know, protect her when she's out, you know. I think being a gentleman is paying. Like, if you ask a woman out, you're paying for everything. Right. You know what I'm saying? I think that's the biggest thing. I know niggas that ask girls out and then split the bill. My steak was 32.27. You didn't have the same steak, but yours was 27.
And you know what's crazy? If I'm out with a woman, even if it's just a friend, like say if me and Nancy go out,
I always pay.
That's a fact.
If the girl takes everything and takes the check from me, I let them do that. If it's my girl and she's like, listen, cool. But whenever I go out with any woman, even if it's a business date, friendship, I pay.
It's a fact.
Now, if it's a co-worker and we're going to lunch, that's different.
Right.
You know, but I have done that too for certain co-workers. Like, boom. Other co-workers is like,
yeah, you pay for yours.
2 checks, please.
I actually
You put it on 1, 2 cards. And this bitch had 2 beers. I had to sell it. I don't drink beer. Make sure you make that beer shit on her.
So when you go out with your friend,
right?
When you go out with your friend,
Rosa,
do you just split the bill evenly, or
which friends?
Sometimes I pick up the bill. Pick up the bill. If me, Rico, and the Max went out and we do it, I might just pick up the bill.
It depends on what friends you're going out with, because you know certain friends is on that bullshit.
Right. Yeah, you got the corny friend that just starts doing this.
My thing is, listen, if I know I'm with those friends, I'm letting the waiter know of jump. We're doing this.
Well, that's smart. You're supposed to do that in the beginning, so the lady don't hit you with the long bell, and everybody starts doing this.
Right. That's what everybody thinks they can do.
But there's this happy hour spot that me and my coworkers go to all the time. The bill was never too crazy, so it's just like whatever it is, we'll split it. You know what I'm saying? Because the drinks is $5 each.
Yeah, when I go out with my girlfriends, we always just split the bill evenly. It doesn't matter.
That's being courteous. I'm teaching the boys those things now. That's how you do it, Chris. Teach your boys. You got 3 of them.
Like, hey, me, Rico, and 3 of my other boys go out. Yeah, we'll all split it, or one of us pick it up. Like, you got it that day.
Yeah, but Chris says depends on who it is. It depends on who it is.
Yeah.
My thing is, if you're going out with your friends, be prepared to pay.
You have
pay
friends and you have family.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? You don't even care if family's like, nigga, I'm short. Nigga, you get frustrated with them. Dog, we didn't ask you about that.
Right.
I said, come. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you have people who rock with you because they know you that type of person.
Right.
So you already know what the kind they are. Those are the little fake friends, scumbags in there.
Fact.
Where y'all going?
They're like, yo,
wherever you're not going. And then you do a Regal, so you sit down like separate checks.
Thank you. Off rip before we watch anything.
Off rip. So nobody gets it because niggas start eating more. Like they start seeing nobody says separate check. Let me get another margarita. And they just look around. Let me 2 more margaritas. Nobody saying no. That shit come out to like 13 margaritas went to one nigga.
Actually, you know it's so funny.
$15 a pop.
A friend of mine.
And that nigga's in the bathroom.
A friend of mine told me that he said he was home by himself, and a friend of his called, and she was like, oh, you know, I'm at a bar or whatever, not too far from your house. I'm with my girlfriend. You know, do you want to come out? He's like, cool. He went. He said he had 2 drinks. The check came later on. They've been sitting there talking. And when the check came, they both just looked at him.
So the guy invited me out.
And he was like...
That was the setup. They invited him out for that dumb shit.
Yeah.
She was like, I'm going to call this nigga. I know he's a gentleman. We'll get this nigga to pay.
Yeah, and he was like...
Love his dick when he gets here.
And he said he looked at the check and saw how much his 2 drinks cost. And he put the money there for his 2 drinks. And she was like, she's like, you're not going to pay for it? He was like,
that's a $17 on 4523. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
He was like, no. He's like, you guys had all these drinks before I even got here.
Facts. So
like,
what if I never came? What was I doing? If y'all was planning on scrubbing dishes, if I didn't come, you better get to scrubbing. Because I'm going back home. I'm about to block.
That means that's not your friend. She thinks you're a sucker.
Fact. Yeah. So I live up the block. So I'm
gonna go home.
And don't ever call me again. Fuck y'all.
Now he could have did. Hold on. $70. I'll pay it. I'm getting like 2 blowjobs. Because y'all called me out here to give me head to pay for these drinks, right? Because giving me head ain't nothing for 2 of y'all.
No,
one on the balls, one on, no. We go right in the men's bathroom. We make that poppin'. Y'all get some sanitizer with your hands.
Don't want you grubby little shit.
Or they just think you're a sucker. But then girls hold on to dudes like that too, that they know they'll do the dumb shit for them while they rocking with the dumb nigga.
First of all, if that happens and I see they already have mad drinks, I'm not even buying nothing. I came out here to chill and talk. So
because you see the setup, you get there, you see the setup. You don't want to drink, No, I'm good.
So I get about the one thing.
Water, yeah.
Because
they can't sit there and give you the bill and you ain't had no drink.
Nope. I didn't have anything. I came here to see what y'all was up.
Because when the bill come, they be like, "You got that, Ricky?" I had water.
I had water, exactly.
I got my keys to my crib. I live off the block.
Chris said that's why I'm his man, because he thought the same thing. I'm getting head or something. Like this ain't just free drink day. Right. You on top. Now, see, I always do feel weird because I've had females that take me out. And then when the bill's crazy, you start thinking to yourself, like, damn.
I might have to pay that.
I always try to pay the tip or something because they be like, no, choose, it's on me. And you're like,
hey, Desiree.
You're like, oh, all right. You know what I'm saying? But you feel kind of.
Before I got with my girl, I've only had one chick take me out. And that shit was, the whole day felt weird. Like on the way there, I was like, how much money do I got right now? Because like the whole time I was just expecting to pay. You know what I'm saying? Then when she paid, I was like,
what happens if you go on a date? What happens if you go on a date and the check comes to like way more than you expected?
First of all,
do you say something?
No. First of all, if my girl suggests somewhere for us to go, I'm going online and looking at the menu before we even go there. I'm just to get an idea of how much I'm gonna be paying.
What if it's just a date, not like your girlfriend?
Just a date?
A date.
Man. I keep the dates on a little cheap side though. Dinner, movie type shit. I'm only trying to spend like $80, $100 a night. I'm not trying to wild out. And if it's a date, we going local. You're going to a spot that I already know how much this is going to be, roughly $60 to $70 for the bill. I'm not really tripping, so that's
Going to IHOP.
This has been a thing since we started hip hop.
Oh my god!
We had a co-host who was like, if a motherfucker take me to IHOP, 1, I'm not going, and 2, don't call me.
And I'm gonna tell you why.
We can go to IHOP after we've been together for a while. You can be like, let's go to IHOP for dinner.
We ain't gonna get to know me.
I don't want to hear that because then I see both sides.
My girl hates IHOP.
But I'm just saying, I see both sides. You niggas taking you out, he's taking you out.
Right, you're gonna go.
If you're too good to go anywhere, he shouldn't fuck with you.
Exactly.
Because you're supposed to be going out with me because you like me.
Right, it don't matter.
Not for where I'm taking you to eat.
Exactly.
So as soon as you tell me, oh, I'm not going there, I'm not. Fuck
First
you.
of all,
First of all, what if
but
you prove that makes you so special? You deserve Roof Crisp or something like that.
Right.
Who the fuck are you? What makes you so special? There's a million other chicks just like you.
Right.
There's nothing special. You know what I'm saying? Get the fuck out of here. I wish somebody would be like, I'm too good. Then go fucking
well, this
get
goes to show
somebody
that
else
that woman is no longer on the show anymore.
Not that I'm too good, but
no, that's what it is. If somebody tells you, you're like, I'm taking you to IHOP, and you're like, IHOP, like, who the fuck are you?
Bitch, you never ate pancakes.
You ain't J-Lo.
Like you never ate pancakes. Like you never ate pancakes.
I actually.
You're too good for pancakes and bacon? They got dinner meal. They got steak. The fuck? You want a milkshake? They got that shit too. You want soda? They got pull-out seats and they got cushion booths. Who the fuck are you that you can't eat the International House of... And it's fucking European. International House of Pancakes.
European. You're
This ain't no Waffle House.
They got pecan sauce. What the fuck is wrong with you? I can take you to the local fucking diner. This is IHOP.
Elizabeth says IHOP is legit. I feel like you and Thematics have a connection. But
I mean,
Elizabeth.
now personally, I'm not taking you to IHOP on our first date like with fucking Thematics, but Thematics is also in his 20s. And he could probably take a little chick wearing her Jordans and her jeans to IHOP and she'd be like, this nigga's big time. Big time. Free pancakes on Wednesday.
First of all,
and she'd be open. You know it was free pancakes all day, free refill. Nigga, Thematics like, you fucking bugging.
First of all, if I go to IHOP, I know I'm not spending no more than $40. I'm just like, whatever.
You're not spending more than what?
IHOP $40. It's cheap.
But that's what I'm saying. Some girls are gonna be open. She's gonna have her new Jordans on, her jeans, and she's gonna be open to go to IHOP.
And her Jordan's probably gonna be matched.
And she's gonna be in there with like 30 other bitches with their Jordans on. Everybody got Jordans on at IHOP.
I went to IHOP with
if I come in with the chick with the heels, they be like, this bitch thinks she out fancy.
Excuse me, I go to IHOP with my son, and I have heels on.
That's your child. Anyway, yes, I get it. I was at IHOP with my ex, and the waitress was fucking with me heavy. My ex. I was just like, excuse
I mean, that can happen in any restaurant, but I'm just saying, if you bitches think y'all are too good for IHOP, fuck y'all.
Actually, IHOP makes my stomach hurt.
I don't hear that shit. Y'all think y'all too good for that shit?
It does.
Fuck y'all.
It does. It makes my stomach hurt.
Because Grant Hill went out with his wife and felt like he didn't have his wallet and she paid for everything. They complained. He was like, I love this bitch.
He's a billionaire.
I don't think there's anything wrong with that.
You know what I'm saying? Well, you don't want to make a dude feel bad over going to take you to IHOP.
IHOP makes my stomach hurt.
You still eat IHOP.
I wouldn't say I wouldn't go.
That's what you said a minute ago. You changed it up.
You
changed it up.
I'm like,
you changed it up. She changed it up for the public. First she was like, don't take it out.
But that's why I said IHOP. I didn't say I wouldn't go. I was just like, IHOP.
Nigga pull up with his Bentley and pull up in front of IHOP. I love International House. I told you I'll take you somewhere foreign.
I'm taking you somewhere foreign.
See, but as long as they got Bentley, girls gonna still go when you're like, oh my God, yeah, yeah. Water. You don't want nothing to eat? Salad. Like the nigga sexy, look like The Rock. Nigga had a Bentley. We ain't IHOP. Yeah. I had to give this nigga some pussy quick and get him over. You see, that's what I'm saying. If you're a certain caliber nigga, it doesn't matter where they take you. Nigga can take you to a drive-in, get some food in the car, and knock it down because the nigga's popping. You know what I'm saying? If you're an average dude, you can't take it to IHOP. Nigga, you supposed to be fronting hard. That's me. You ain't no Rock. You know what I'm saying? Rock can take me to the pizza shop.
I had a chick that wanted to go to IHOP. I was like, what? Come on. Yeah, I had a chick that wanted to go to IHOP.
It's all about standards.
I'm saying with IHOP.
You women are getting mad because niggas want women for certain reasons. Just remember that y'all don't go to IHOP.
I took an Uber all the way to Brooklyn. Not even a pool, a straight Uber. I said, yeah, I can afford this Uber today, but I spent a little $30 on this cab. We going to IHOP. Look, then I'm taking it back home. I spent all the money I would have spent where I would have took you. You know
women are like that too. Y'all can't go to IHOP. Y'all too good.
Well, shout out to Shorty.
I know some women like, I want seafood. Don't take me to no Red Lobster. Why you too good? Why the fuck you too good for Red Lobster?
Red Lobster definitely makes my
You too good for them cheese biscuits? You too good for Red Lobster?
I like the biscuits.
Yeah, I only go for I don't.
I've been to Red Lobster like 3 times in my whole life. I don't really know if I like Red Lobster.
Yo, you better just be super dope. Like, it better be something about you that stands out that you too good for anything.
Facts.
Like who? How you know what a nigga's money like? Maybe he's just a good dude. He got no money.
But what if
Maybe
she's like? But what if she says I really just don't like IHOP? Then you're gonna be like, too bad. You're gonna go, but that's what I can afford. You can't find someplace else.
No, it depends. It depends. If she says that, not what you said in the beginning before you changed up. You ain't taking me no IHOP. No, you didn't say. You didn't say you didn't like it. That's not what you said. Nigga ain't taking me to IHOP. You first day you say nigga ain't taking you to IHOP. Don't play that game. You switched up when we all was against you. You see how I feel when you're all against me. You finally felt everybody against you. You switched up. I don't like it. I didn't like it. You know what I'm saying? See, Sarita likes IHOP. Sarita likes IHOP. But I'm just saying, listen, I wouldn't take a girl at 45 on my first date to IHOP. Oh, no. Now, unless we popped off and we going up in the morning and we going for breakfast,
right? After
I hit it, right? We gonna go eat good, like because you can get a couple of stacks on me if the booty was good.
Veronica said, "Red Lobster good enough for Beyonce. Who you, boo?"
Yeah, exactly.
I don't like Red Lobster.
Exactly. No, I'm just saying. Listen.
I just don't like it.
All I'm talking about is we had a topic at work. I like IHOP too, but seafood, or for seafood and crab shanty, seafood or City or Johnny's. Okay. I heard Katrina, you a seafood connoisseur. I know a couple of places.
They just opened up a seafood spot in the hood.
Here's the conversation that we've had here before, and it's about losing your life or going to jail over a man or a woman. And what we said was, in this day and technology, when you can see right here every day all the men and women that's out there for you, how the fuck do you put one person on a perch that you're like, if I come home and catch you fucking, I'm gonna fuck you up or kill you? No.
See, how I feel about that? These crimes of passion. A lot of people, they're just acting just off of straight emotion. But for you to say, hypothetically, if this happened, this is what I would do. That's premeditated. You feel me?
Here's another thing. When I was younger, I could see how people held on to their women like so crazy. You didn't really know what was out there. You might have thought your girl. I'm with Blue. She's the best thing out here. I don't see anything better than her.
Until you met something better.
And maybe you did it for a long time. But with social media and stuff, I'm not saying she's a million, but there's a million beautiful people that you can shoot out every day. Like, how are you basing your whole life on a person and risking like going to jail? Now you fucked up the murder. She ain't dead. You're locked up, and your man's coming to visit you, and your dumbass is asking about it. So what's she doing? She just got married. Oh, the nigga you was chasing after? Yeah, she married that nigga. They got a cute kid. They went and got a house with the money they got from your estate because you fucked up. And she dissed the shit out of you. She went on 2 TV shows talking about how she almost died. She's writing a book.
She's on Oprah and Steve.
Yes, and they love her. And then mad women be crying all the dumb shit you did when you were choking her. She said she saw God, and then God brought her back. And then her man Malcolm, that's the nigga she was cheating on you with that she's married to. He cries on stage, and Oprah called him up on stage, and he hugged her, and then they brought up their son, and she was like, if he would have killed me, little Malcolm wouldn't be here.
You read the most fantastic story. Jesus Christ.
But think about it. Your ass is in jail trying not to get butt fucked every week, doing life for what? A woman or a man. True. Yo, fam, every day you're on the train, you're crowded with more opportunities. But when you're in a relationship, you tend not to see that.
True.
And when you're still so caught up with somebody, you tend not to see that. And then once you find that day where you don't look at that person like that, you see everything.
You know what I always say? I feel like if you're in love right now, you've been in love before.
Yeah.
You will be in love again. You feel me? Like your last.
But you see, what it is, it's that feeling. Right. Like it's that feeling that there's nobody like this person.
Right. That's what you felt about your last girl.
No, but that's the thing. That's what gets people in trouble.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Because you're feeling like there's nobody like this particular person.
Until you get with somebody else. Right.
So now you're stalking them. You're sitting in your car all day like this. You can make sure you have lunch with. You know what I'm saying? And then all of a sudden, a day, if you're smart enough and you don't do something stupid like planning out her murder, you start to be like, oh, chick walked by the car, and you actually turn your head this time like, oh shit, hold on. Your ex walks away, you don't think, you get out the car, follow her, say hi, and now you're fucking dating. And then you sit there and tell your new girl one day, you know I was gonna kill that bitch. And she's like, I'm about to be your ex now too. You know what I'm saying?
Or you scare her into staying with you. Because you're crazy.
She's like, yeah, I can never leave this.
Like, what?
I'm saying, like having a girlfriend tells you mad ways to kill somebody. You like, oh, I'm not leaving.
You got.
I was just gonna tell you, I thought we needed a break. You want to go on vacation? You're on vacation, man. Sad. She's like, baby, come in the water. Come in the water with me. He's crying. And Paco like, Saturday, you need another drink. You're like, put poison in the drink. The way you're gonna kill me is gonna be way better than this bitch said.
Miranda said you can find other places that sell the same shit for the same price, better quality. This is true.
Chris said, Blue, what's up with the game you had planned?
What?
Oh yeah, what's the game?
Oh my God.
Go ahead, Chris.
Word. Shout out to Chris for remembering that. Because I forgot.
I love Chris.
Chris loves you.
Do you, Chris? You love me, Chris?
Do you?
All right. So, this game is called Dirty Mind.
Dirty Lines?
No, Dirty Mind.
Dirty Minds. Okay.
Yeah.
Nobody in here got that.
So, what it is I'm going to read some clues,
Okay.
and you have to guess.
I'm assuming whatever the thing is, it isn't actually dirty, but we're going to think it's dirty?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to guess what it is. All right, you ready, Chris?
So if we guess it right, do we win?
Chuck Bone, what's up? Al, what's up?
What
We're
do
about
you
to play
win?
this game. She's going to throw out some lines, and we got to guess what it is. It's called Dirty.
Dirty Mind.
Oh, you
Dirty
said the
Minds.
best game ever. So you played this game.
It is
Yeah,
fun.
yeah, I played
It
it.
is
But
fun.
it's fun.
All right.
All right,
It's
ready?
definitely good when you drink it.
You ready?
Now what?
Actually, we should do that next time. We should bring some drinks. And every time you get one wrong, every time I have to give another clue, everybody has to take a shot.
That's lit. All right,
Oh
so
my
I gotta
bad.
drive. You want to crash and die? Fuck it, I'll do it. What's
All
that? Jason, we're about to play Dirty Minds, so
All right,
get ready.
ready?
She's gonna give out some lines. We gotta guess what it is. Chilling, Al,
All right.
what up, baby boy? Fucking nigga, you don't even age, bro.
The first clue. I have a deep throat inside of me.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo. What is a duck?
A dog, no.
A deep throat inside of me.
What do y'all think that is? Say it again to the public.
A giraffe. Damn
I
it.
have a deep
That was a good
throat
guess, right?
inside of me. That is a good guess, though.
What the fuck? What do y'all think, fellas? Ladies. She has a deep throat inside of her.
No, that's a clue.
Oh. my bad. I heard some rumors, that's all.
Hey.
See, you need the alcohol for this game. Yeah, we're going to do it next
Yeah,
time.
next week. We're going to bring the licks.
I'll do like 2 of them now.
All right, but.
What? Katrina just said, damn. Katrina, that's not the answer.
No, okay.
Chris said, I'm in BK. I'm drive. I don't know what that means.
You're in Brooklyn right now, Chris? Come
Yeah.
over. The second clue. I can get stiff.
Hey,
Wait, so the first one was,
I have a
he said a
deep
bottle.
throat.
No, it's not a bottle.
Not a bottle. Sarita said a bottle.
Is it a pipe?
Elizabeth
Somebody
said,
said a pipe.
Elizabeth said it's a sink.
Not a sink.
Everybody think a giraffe.
Come on, Chris.
You guys, you see?
Yes,
Very
it's a giraffe.
Chuck, Al, what y'all think? You know?
Deep throat.
Jason said water.
What? No.
Eli said, the man said snake.
Okay, the third clue.
Chris said a neck.
Yeah, Chris.
Chris got it.
He did get it.
You're a pervert, Chris. That's like you're my man. Nigga said a neck.
The next clue was rubbing me can help keep your head erect.
Hey, yo, okay.
Oh, you got another one for me?
The next clue was people usually shave the hair that grows out of me.
Armpits.
No, it was
the same one.
the same one.
Oh,
These were the
the
clues
neck.
that
But
were
yeah,
in the
yeah.
hair.
Okay.
When you stick me out, you're taking a chance.
This dick.
You know what drinks in here, everybody's like, that's a penis. You're lying. That's a dick. That's a fucking hairy dick. You don't actually have hair on your dick, fam. You don't have hair on your dick. Well, I do. Fucking caveman.
Oh, shit. All right, the next one. You ready?
Ready. Jason said a clit. Jay, we already got that one. It was a neck, Jay. Pervert. Your hair don't grow on a clit.
So, the next one is you're usually hot when I'm in between your legs.
Whoa.
Wait, repeat it.
You're usually hot when I'm in between your legs.
So I'm guessing whatever this is cools you down when you're hot because you put it in between your legs when you're hot.
You're usually hot when she puts it between your legs.
I think because I'm not drunk, I'm overthinking it.
That's the problem.
All right, next one.
Next clue.
Okay.
I usually kneel down before you mount me.
Wait, before
A
you
horse?
Before you mount.
A horse.
No.
Come on, people.
No.
help.
Hold on.
I don't see nobody helping. What are y'all doing out there?
It's a camel because they're in the desert.
Woo!
We got this one.
Yeah, baby.
Here we go.
I'm trying not to think
I was close.
dirty.
I said a horse.
I think that's the point of how you do this. You can't think dirty. But if you're
DJ
drunk,
and
you're
Live,
not
what up,
dirty.
So the
baby?
next one was you can ride me bareback.
Hey, yo.
3 wise men came on me.
Hey,
yo.
And I might give you.
Katrina's still
one
lost.
or
She said
two.
a bicycle seat.
Oh my God!
It was a camel.
It was a camel.
3 wise men did not come on a camel seat. I mean a bicycle seat.
I was thinking bicycle seat at first too, and I was like, nah, that don't really make sense. You go out there and
The wise man does come on a cute woman.
Yes, he does. I do it all the time. I am wise.
I'm a wise
What
man
kind
too.
of pervert are
I'm a
you
wise
guys?
man too.
I don't do those
I like the
kind of things.
facials too.
All
I
right,
like to
Blue,
look
let's
at
not
that
start
pretty
lying.
face
Oh.
with a lot of slimer on him. Put a little primer on her.
All right. One more.
Yes,
Yeah, we want more.
All right. When you're done with me, I leave you with sticky fingers.
Barbecue chicken.
No.
Ribs.
Barbecue ribs.
Okay.
Barbecue chicken wings.
Lube.
Second clue. You have to spit or swallow
Hey, yo.
my seed.
Oh,
mango.
No.
No.
It says fruit.
Orange.
Grapefruit.
Pomegranate.
No.
Pear.
She said, Chris said pastry, Jason said ice cream.
No.
Cherry.
What did you say? No.
Cherry.
But she said sticky.
Sticky. Right. I'm thinking
What's sticky with seeds?
I thought mango.
Cantaloupe? Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Here we go. Jason, strawberry.
I didn't hear you.
Sarita said watermelon too. I remember hearing
Elizabeth is screaming glue. No.
She's screaming glue.
All right.
Glue don't got pits?
You guys want another one?
All right, one more.
One last one?
And next week we'll be drunk.
All right.
Well, I'll be drunk.
Maurice said mango. It was watermelon, Maurice.
Mango is a good guess, though. That's what I thought. And I'm wise.
All right.
Wise.
Sometimes I can come like a fountain.
Yeah, that was in my 20s.
Water.
That was my 20s. That was my 20s.
Sometimes I can come like a fountain.
I was nice.
All right, next clue. When I start to slow down, I get harder.
Hey, yo. I feel like it's on the tip of my tongue. Pause.
Yeah, please.
Facts. Because I saw the way this nigga. He's like, what, nigga? What? You said what? Nah, nigga, pause.
So the first one was sometimes I can come like a fountain.
Elizabeth said it's a hose.
No. The next one was when I start to slow down, I get harder. All right. The next one. I shoot out of a steaming hole.
A water jet or water bottle?
Fuck.
Sprinkler?
No.
Natural shit that was
Geyser.
Yeah, something like that. No?
No.
Next one.
These motherfuckers still on
After
mango.
an explosion,
She said a
I
pimple.
ooze from
Pimple.
your crater.
Pimple.
Nope.
Ooze from the crater.
Mm-hmm.
You think that was like
Lava.
Lava.
I'm
Good
2 for 4.
job. Good
Yeah,
job.
I'm good at this game. I'd be terrible if I was drunk, though.
All right. So next week we'll play more.
I'm like, it's a dick.
The penis!
It's always a dick. I feel like it's always a dick.
Oh my god. All right. One last one?
Keep going.
See if you get this.
Rico want to keep going because he hot. Rico hot.
All right. If you shoot too much sauce in me,
Hey,
I
yo.
could drip all over your face.
Hey, yo. Boy. Shoot too much sauce in me, I could drip all over your face.
Yeah. If you
Wow.
shoot too much sauce in me, I could drip all over your face.
Is it a hot dog?
Cannoli.
No. Any guesses? Nobody
Hey,
guessing?
yo.
Jason said lava. Katrina said no.
Elizabeth said I'll stick to video games. I'm done. Shoot too much. What do you put sauce in? The burrito.
If you get me toasted, I'll get harder for you.
Hey.
No.
Oh, shit, I don't know.
Repeat that.
Come on, Rico. You've been the one, Rico.
Where's Chris? He wanted to play.
I just
Where
said
is
a
he?
burger or a bagel.
No.
Too much sauce.
Hot sausage.
It has to be some kind of food.
You can stick your hot salami in me.
Right.
Whoa. Hot buttered bread?
No.
Hot salami.
Oh, that shit sounds awesome.
Huh?
Pizza?
No.
Look,
Toasted strudel.
You
Where
getting
am I
this from
getting? It's
Blue?
a game. It's a game. It's called Dirty
Yeah,
Mind.
but when somebody just tune in, you like you stick your hot salami in there. Nigga said, yo. Where's Blue getting this shit from?
Hot
Yo.
pocket. Aisha said.
No.
Hot dog bun, Sarita said.
If
I'm with
If
Rico.
I'm
It's a
too-
dick.
if I
Yo, Maurice, that's funny.
It's not
Katrina
cheese.
said
Katrina
cheese.
said.
if I'm too come on. If I'm too thick, it takes two hands
Oh,
to
Hey.
stick me in.
Hey, yo.
a foot long, he said?
No.
Katrina's just laughing. She like whatever you talking about. I need two of my hands on it. You nasty,
It's
Katrina.
not a burger. It's not a burger.
It's not a
Too
burger.
much sauce. You need two hands. Toasted.
Peanut butter is just.
It's a sandwich.
Sandwich.
Jason said, that's me. Blue, he wants you to know that's him.
Jason don't lie.
Oh.
And then the last clue was if I'm uncut, I may be too big for you to handle.
Hey, yo.
So we just laughing.
So that was fun, right?
Yeah.
This game is fun.
Well, we're
You
going to
get
get
it.
fucked up.
Oh,
next
well,
week,
Toys
though.
R Us is over, so you can't get it at Toys R Us. Order it on Amazon.
Hey, I'm sure you can
Dirty
buy it on
Minds.
Amazon.
Another game that's good as Taboo.
I love Taboo.
Taboo is fun.
Taboo is fun.
Taboo. Taboo is dangerous after like 20
Taboo's
minutes.
fun with a couple of couples. Right?
Or what's that? What's
There's
that
a couple
other
of
game?
couples who get some cheap
Cards,
laughs.
Cards Against Humanity.
Cards Against Humanity is a good one.
That game is fire.
What do you mean is a good one too. It's kind of like
I saw that one,
Yeah,
but
that one's good. I like
Skip
it.
was good, boy. Long time. Plumbers Union. Plumbers Union back in the day. Man.
I hear you.
Lay pipe and part of the
I
union.
get it. I understand.
so I actually thought about you guys this
Well,
weekend because I had a conversation with somebody,
Force fatality.
and she didn't believe that men actually fake coming.
Yep.
Oh, shit.
Spit on the back. Oh,
All day.
Ah,
That's how you stay in the Plumbers Union now. If you don't, men fake coming all the time, and I
Yeah.
don't know why women. Yo, sometimes it gets tiring giving you back shots and y'all are not coming. Or you'll come and we don't really want to come that day. It's like, let's just get it over with.
Or if I already came and I'm on my second nut. And
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? It's like, before. I'm like,
Or some of you women are whack and we don't want to tell you you're whack.
Elizabeth
so-
said Black Card Revoked is also a good game.
Never heard of that one.
I think that's a new one.
But the thing is, when men fake coming.
Oh, damn, that was so good.
But as a woman, you're gonna if you're not using condoms, you're gonna know
How you know?
No, you're not.
because it comes out.
You spit on your back.
No, it comes out.
No,
yeah,
spit on
but if it's on the second or something, I don't know. Nigga be like, yo, I
I
pulled out.
Or you spit on the butt, and then with women that I've been with, they lay there and
We
they
know
wait
we're
for the
going to
towel.
fake it.
So they're not gonna
We
look.
know we're gonna fake it, so nigga pull out act like he came on your butt. You can spit in your hand and wipe it on your ass. You feel wetness. You think the nigga came.
Nah, you got a condom on. Pull out and say I can't. That's it.
No, say if you don't have a condom was the thing.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah, spit on the back.
Yeah, it's very simple.
Well, I
It's
just
nothing.
pull out and act like
There's
I
nothing hard to do. It's nothing hard. Like if you've been with several men.
So does that mean that he's just not enjoying himself?
No, sometimes you just tired of fucking. You like, all right, like she's like.
Why do women think men want to fuck all day? We don't.
Like if you saying I'm about to come for 5 minutes, you're just like my nigga.
Like there's some men.
About to come already.
It's like he said, you're fucking your girl, condom or no condom. You bust. Your second one is usually the longer one because now you got that first one off your back.
Right.
The second one, some girls want to hear they make you come 3-4 times. That's their shit. They're like, how many times did you come? 3 times. Yesterday was only twice. Today was 3 times. And you're like,
next time I'm in for 4. You're just like, oh yeah.
Sometimes you have that morning fuck or that night wake up fuck and you're hitting it. She comes. Did you come? You're like, I'm coming right now. Stay right there. Don't move. Oh, you grip her thighs. Oh, and you hit her with the. Oh shit! Look at all this shit on my hand. Wiping on your butt. You feel the wetness. You're like, I saw his cum on my butt. You go back to sleep. You think you made him come. He's good.
Like you happy, I'm happy.
But women just think that was a woman thing, faking. Like, nah, niggas fake all the time.
Facts.
Sometimes your pussy just whack that night. Niggas like you can't eat. You riding them and then the shit is just whack. You got eye crusting. You don't look sexy. I'm not gonna come off of this, but you got my dick hard. Go ahead, ride it off. You gonna come? Yeah. You gonna come in my pussy? Yeah. You coming? Yes, I am. Oh, you grab her waist tight. That's always a fake tight shit. You know, we grab you.
You give yourself a little shake.
Like, yeah, the shake, and you'll be like, you're like, oh, I felt it go in me. Yeah, sure you did. You ain't feel shit going in me. I didn't come a lick. You wake up the next morning, she in the shower, you're like, let me get that nut off. Got your phone, you like, ah!
See what happened? I stubbed my toe. It's fucking bedpost.
Because they always do that shit. I feel it. I feel it. Like, my dick ain't doing a goddamn thing. I don't even have a nut on my mind. Fuck out of here. I don't even have a thought of a nut. I was waiting for you to come riding this shit so we can go back to sleep. I was having a good dream until you woke me up with this I'm horny shit. You know you want it. All right, cool. I want it. Yeah. Let's do this. Hurry up.
Oh my gosh, last night, and don't say who it was, I had a dream that a couple...
Maurice, you know what I'm talking about.
I had a dream that a couple invited me to have a threesome with them. I did.
And how did that go?
I don't know where that dream came from. Why it was this particular couple.
Why does Sarita find it so funny?
But
then she's laughing at that we fake nothing.
Got you.
But yeah, I actually had a dream that, and it didn't actually happen. The female in the dream just was kind of like, you know, she said to her boyfriend or whatever, and she was just like, oh, she was like, you could just watch. And she like whispered to me, she was like, it could just be me and you. So I was a little thrown because I was just like,
So she wanted to.
Yeah, I guess. But
because you said she wanted you to watch them.
No, she wanted him to watch us.
Oh,
I mean that's kind of lit though.
That's fine.
I wouldn't mind.
And but it didn't happen because where we were was like the main floor of their house or apartment or whatever, and it was like all glass. And then it was like on the like the ground floor, so people kept walking by. There were like no curtains, no nothing.
I mean, if they want to get it on like that,
people kept just like walking by, and then she was just like, "Oh, people are looking," and you know what I mean.
And then have no curtains.
Then we were gonna go upstairs, but then there were like kids there. It was just very weird. It was weird, but
I had a dream that my girl gave me some fire head last night. I was like, that shit was so good. I had to wake up and tell her. I was like, so you can't stay.
So what do y'all think about dreams? Do y'all think? Because I had a dream that I popped off with my friend John. That was wrong. I felt bad about it.
I had a dream that I popped off with a chick that I went to high school with, and that was random.
But I don't even like really find my man's joint attractive.
Well, maybe
she did some sexy shit.
Maybe she got that ass. Yeah. See? Maybe it was that. All it takes is something.
But like I've only met her on 2 occasions. You know what I'm saying? And that was a random. That was like 2 weeks ago. But like it was a crazy dream. But like,
have you ever thought to yourself, she got a fat ass?
I thought to myself, he's only with her because she got a fat ass.
Right, so you thought about the fact that she had a fat ass. That's all it takes, bro. Your subconscious is like that. It just grabbed on something. He's like, fat ass, got it.
Maybe. I was kind of disappointed in myself.
I had a dream that I smashed 2 chicks that I was never attracted to. I was like, what the fuck am I doing? But in a dream, it felt amazing. I was like, God damn, this is sexy. But in real life, I was like, oh.
I actually had a dream when I was with my ex-boyfriend. I had a dream that I had sex with him and his best friend.
Oh, that's...
At the same time. Yeah, that was a dream. That was a dream.
I have nothing to say.
I told him too, and I thought.
How did he feel about that?
He was a pervert. He was like, yeah. Yeah.
How did it go, right?
Yeah.
See, that should make you feel weird, though.
Why?
Yeah, back in the days, I had to. It's so funny. I was consoling my friend. his wife. And then, no, like this. But you know what was so funny to me? Because she had told me like months later, she's like, you know, that day we hung out, she's like, I went home, I had a dream. I was like, huh? Keeping the classic. I had a dream. And we started dying laughing at the same time. What it was is like, her man went away. Mm-hmm. And she was telling me about it, but she got mad emotional. And I was like, yo, you'll be home in 6. Just hold your head, you know, you financially well off, you know. And it was like a long, but she was mad emotional, like, yo, I told him not to stop doing. He was in the street game. You know, so like I'm like, damn, she's crying. I'm like, yo, it's cool, it's cool. So when we were leaving, she was like, thanks, T, you know, chose you so cool. That night, I had a dream I was killing her shit. Like, don't think about them. But I felt mad awkward the next time I saw her on the block. So I see her and she came up, she's like, come over here. So we go over to the corner. She's like, can I tell you something? It goes no further than here. I was like, yeah. She's like, you know, after that day, right? You know, I went home and had a dream. I fucked the shit out of you. I was like, yo.
Me too.
Yo, that's crazy. Cause I'm talking like she's just a regular girl. I'm like, cause I had a dream I fucked the shit out of you. And then she was like, oh, and we was laughing. I was like, listen, I take that back. Yo, because it felt weird. I was like, no, this is bad moment here.
Maurice wanted to know what my boyfriend said. So he actually just wanted me to tell him everything that happened in the dream. And I did. Right. So I told him everything.
So they could play out his head because he's
again, he's a pervert.
Yes.
I mean, you was
some weird niggas like that. Niggas is weird. But, that they get off on shit like that, that's weird.
Word, Joe, word.
Whoever you were, nigga, you was weirdo.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So that was it. But he wasn't upset or anything. We just told him what happened and
we can get upset over a motherfucking dream.
You can be upset, but
come on.
Unless like the man sits here.
You never had a dream and you woke up mad?
What do you mean?
Like just a dream.
I woke up mad and I didn't complete a dream. I was about to fuck one of my girlfriend's cousins, and it was right there. And I woke up and I had to piss.
That was God saying.
And in the dream, here's the fucked up part. In the dream, the piss must have took over my mind. Because in the dream, I was like, stay here. I gotta pee. And then I fucking wake up. You know how many times the pee fucked me up a dream? You know what I'm saying? But lucky I didn't piss. Because there's been some dreams where I'm about to piss in the bed. Because in the dream, I'm like, oh my God, I had to pee so bad, I'm about to pee. And then I wake up like, oh shit. No pee-pee. What am I drawing? No pee-pee. It's a little pee-pee. Not a lot of pee-pee, just a little pee-pee. You ever had a little pee-pee?
So you still pee the bed, bro?
Nah, but a little pee-pee. Little pee-pee. So you never had a dream where you almost pee-pee?
No, I had a dream where I felt like I pee. And
okay, there you go.
Almost happened.
No, to run to the bathroom, I had a little pee-pee. The bathroom's not closed. No pee-pee. No, I'm not ashamed. I'm grown.
I respect that.
I'm grown. I haven't peed the bed. Like, you just woke up and wild pee. Like, because I'm grown and big, that's a lot of pee. The mattress is over. The dream's over. You pee the bed as an adult, it's over. Yeah. Little kids pee a stain.
Right.
You know how long we be in front of the piss toilet?
Facts. Last time I was in bed, I was in it for like 3 minutes. It's like,
nigga, that's what I'm saying. So if I pee the bed, you're going to wake up needing a scuba suit. Like, oh, shit. It's over. The dream's over. Remember when I told my son, mother, I brought a brand new mattress. I said, yo, don't let your water break in my new mattress. You could have stayed at your grandparents for this. What does she do? Wakes me up in the middle of the night and I'm laying in water. I'm like, yo, my water broke.
Why would you have been mad if your girlfriend had a dream about having sex with your man?
You don't have no control over that.
Ooh.
Like it's a dream.
Facts. You didn't, unless she acts.
That's my man, you.
Unless
I would have been tight. Nigga Skip Stopper. That nigga, he trained me. He's part of the plumbers union. He was the leader of the plumbers union. Stop being like that.
Why would you be upset? It's a dream.
Yeah, I don't know. Listen, that's because some people feel that's your subconscious. So maybe you wanted fans man the whole time.
When you wake up, has your partner?
But my thing is, even if she want him, so what? As long as she don't fuck him, it don't matter.
And ask you what you were doing.
That's good.
Happened to me, actually.
That's good until your
Not
girl
in that
says,
dream, but
Rico, I woke up and I was riding thematics in my dream. See, now you saying here, because right now it's a hypothetical.
Right, true.
You wake up next to your girl and you like, because you and y'all all hang out bowling, and she's like, oh my God. And she's not thinking because it's first thing in the morning. She's like, Rico. She's like, Rico. Exactly, because when it happens to you, like you're sitting there and you can say a bunch of things, but your girl was like, oh my God. And I woke up and I was riding thematics. That shit's funny, right?
Wait.
And you're like,
women have dreams that you cheating and be tight with you all day.
Niggas be like that too. Don't act like niggas be acting like that too. I've had a dream or two where I was like,
this bitch.
She would have fucked that nigga. Was she a fuck that nigga? And you watching her like this. Then you do hypothetical corny questions after blue at breakfast. So if Rico just rubs your ass, would you let him? And you'd be like, where's this coming from? I'm just hypothetically. Because in the dream, you was like this on her butt. Like, So you wake up the next morning, you just watching her. She rubbing a little crust out her eye. You're like, yo, question, if Rico just started rubbing your butt, would it be okay? Well, I don't know where that's going. Serena, you've been mad over dreams?
I actually have woken up upset about dreams.
I've woken up upset about dreams and realized it was a dream, and I was like, all right, I'm cool. I'm not mad.
This is why I try not to think about anything in particular when I go to bed, because sometimes that's the shit. Like, I've dead ass had nightmares because I'm watching the scary shit, and then I'll be like this. I hear something? I'm like, nigga, what are you doing to yourself? Then I go to dream, I'm in a dream, and niggas in the whole house is fucking wilding. You know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to wake myself, wake up, please, I'm gonna die, wake up.
Because even if he knows a dream,
yes,
you're still experiencing
like, please
that. Right.
Let me free. I don't need this. But yeah, I had dreams that like my girl was cheating and doing shit or fucking a dude. I don't wake up and be mad at her. Unless out of the blue, she was like, yo, how's your friend?
Oh my God.
You never asked about him. The fuck just happened?
Like, I don't know. I was thinking about him yesterday.
Oh, no. I felt your energy in bed? Was your bed energy? You know, I know niggas that get mad when their girls just be joking. Like, you know how she jokes with the Rock? Niggas just be sitting there like, you're like, what's wrong? So you gonna just let the Rock smack you with his dick? You just a fucking thought like that?
I mean, he is the Rock.
No, man. Niggas get mad. But girls get mad too. You can't even look at shit like, oh, man, look at this girl. If you're showing her like, that's all you do?
Whenever like Carrie Hilson pops up on my TV screen, I'm with my girl, she looks at me funny. That's because I think she's beautiful. But, you know, I'm not going to cheat on you with her.
Ricky, what up,
if I was single and I had the chance, I would absolutely fuck the shit out of her. But, you know.
But you wouldn't now.
No. But if we ever broke up, absolutely. But no, not while we together.
I never wanted to slam a celebrity, but I had something that I thought was super sexy.
Oh, Ricky's watching.
What else? We got any more?
Facts.
Oh, I had one for Les.
That's my crush.
We was what men and women consider a few lovers. When you ask a woman, she says she's been with a few. What's your thought a few is?
2, 3.
This is what I told Les. This is what I told Les. For a man, if a man says he's been with a few chicks, what do you think his number is?
Like 6, 7.
Double digits.
Double whatever the woman is.
Right? Yeah.
But if a woman told you, okay, I've been with a few, and her few was 15 to 25.
That's not a few. That's,
what are you feeling?
That's mad niggas.
What are you feeling?
That's mad niggas. Like, first of all, how old are you? First of all.
Wait a minute. How are you feeling off of 15 to 25?
I'm not.
What if she's your age right now?
If you're 25, you had 25 niggas? Oh, like, first of all, when did you find the time to fuck all these niggas? Like, nah.
So you're not fucking with her?
No. How about nigga? My thing is, I live in New York City.
You gotta relax.
No. Listen. I feel like
yo, Ricky, you, Skip. 15 to 25 is too much for you? And she's 25.
Can't ask women that question. They be lying and saying bodies don't count and shit. That is a whole fact. But anyway, this is my thing. I feel like New York is a big city, but it's mad little at the same time. So if you fuck 15 to 25 niggas, you fuck at least 7 niggas that I know. Nah. Nope. It depends on how we met too. If we know each other,
is there any number that's too much for a man for you? If a man told you he had 15 to 25 partners,
I'm not even gonna ask. I'm just gonna spare myself.
Do you feel a way about him? Honestly, be honest.
Dude fuck 40 women. Now he's trying to make you his 41st, but he's telling you you're gonna be the last one.
You're gonna be the last one.
Skip said 5 is too much. See, this is what I'm trying to tell. Like, I'm arguing with my girl last.
2, 3 is what I'm.
We're talking about it, and she's like,
that, I'm just like,
and I'm like,
okay,
once a nigga sees the girls hit 10, a nigga, most men, 80% of men is like she's a thot. And she's a hoe.
So you guys would rather what? If she lied, if it was 10?
Most men want you to lie. Most men want you to lie.
One.
If he's asking that question, he's stupid.
Right. Exactly. I'm not even asking that. That's none of my business.
But if you put out the question to him and the question comes back, he wants you to lie.
I tell women that
if
all the
you
time.
want to keep him, do not tell him the truth.
Bro.
Do not tell him. I know a girl that told the nigga she been with 10 men and she was in her 40s,
I let them
and
know
the
straight
nigga
up.
dumped her by text.
What?
He was like, you suck 10 different dicks? The fuck out of here. Come here, boy.
I tell women this all the time.
Maurice said at 40 plus, how can you be upset?
Well, I'm not, so it don't matter.
This nigga is 40 and change. Going
He
for
said,
50.
tell me 3.
He said, tell him 3.
Listen.
I'm
I tell this
telling
woman
you.
all the time because I feel a
All
setup.
I want to know is that your ass is clean.
Maurice, you're a nasty ass nigga anyway.
When women ask me how many chicks I slept with, I'm like, listen, I'm gonna tell you, but just understand, I'm not interested in knowing your number. I don't care. She's like, oh, why not? I didn't bring it up, bitch. You did. So I'm gonna answer your question. Then we're gonna talk about something else.
You, I don't cannot handle
No. Because I see
and
you
if
a
your
certain
number
way.
is motherfucking man numbers, what niggas consider men's numbers,
You out here moving like a man.
the nigga sees you in a different light immediately.
You out here moving like one of the homies, and I don't understand how my homies got girls. So no, nah, facts.
But the funny thing is, I've known badass chicks. I know badass chicks that have numbers.
Because they bad. Niggas want to fuck.
Exactly, but then niggas don't understand why they have numbers.
I'm good.
One of my friends had, like, she went through my whole block damn near. And right now she could walk in here and niggas would be like, Joe, what's your friend name again?
See, if I was 45, I would and single, I would just want to stay single.
Yes.
I'm chilling. I don't want to, because my thing is you've lived life. You feel me?
Yeah,
if I get
you've done relationships and you've been things.
Aisha said that why do you want the girl to lie? So then when you find out the truth, then you're going to be more upset that she lied.
I don't even
Because you're going to get a couple of more months of a relationship with the lie. Because whenever he finds out you've been with 15 to 25, you're through.
The dream is over.
He's not going to look at you. I'm saying you got to know the guy. Another guy might be able to do it. I'm saying maybe 20%. It might be even less. But 80% of these niggas, when they find out you're through, they're going to look at you like a whore.
I don't want to know.
It's a fact. Most niggas and mama's boys, niggas that grow up under their moms, that their moms will tell you that woman's a whore, and their moms might only do with their dad's cheating ass and one other nigga themselves.
My thing is,
a nigga's gonna run to his mom. He's gonna run to his men first, like, yo, this bitch told me she's going 15 niggas.
My thing is, the day I
your
meet
men's
a woman,
is gonna hit you with shit, but then you go to your mom because you think my mom's, she's gonna hit me with the truth. Now the mom's, if she's a thot herself, she's gonna be like, so what? Do you love her? You're like, yeah, I do. Then what is her body count?
Because she's a whore. I don't want to love a whore.
Like, before you dad, I was with like 72 niggas.
Oh my God.
Now, mom.
Now you fucking throw up on her feet. And you be like, well, I said I wanted somebody like my mom, so let me go back to this time.
Oh my God.
Listen.
Some men are like that. Some other men, they get off on an experienced woman. That's an experienced woman.
Okay, so let's say that she told you that she slept with a lot of guys when she was younger. She was promiscuous when she was younger. She was a teenager. And now she's older, but she hasn't. But she hasn't.
You're young and doing
like in high school.
In high school?
Yeah.
So you were a high school whore? I do not want to get with the high school hoe. Because you know why? Everybody you know knows you as a hoe. Hell no.
I never thought of it that way.
There wasn't young, like the high school, there wasn't
so when
discreetly
all the
fucking.
friends see them, they're like, oh, that's that hoe.
Yeah. You wasn't discreetly fucking 20 niggas in high school. No. Niggas knew. Nah.
And
Hell no.
you're also young. How long have you been out of high school?
8 years.
Okay.
So
would that be different?
You added on to your body count after them 20
care
then.
about body count.
I'm not.
I always after Elizabeth turned me out at 18.
But the girl that slept with a lot of guys in high school.
I give a fuck. I can go to school with her.
Facts. Being young makes it worse.
From your high school.
No.
Oh, you in there?
I still know all my high school friends. These niggas would be hitting me right now, like, nigga, you wiped her.
These niggas be on
live.
Nigga,
you know she sucked
every
my
week.
Dick. Nigga, you know she sucked my dick in the lunchroom, right? And then Francisco came around. He backshot her. Then we took her to the roof and came on her stomach. No, I don't want that in my life. My son could be looking at my Facebook. Mom was to school. Oh my God! You took me to that people's house and their father fucked mom.
Shanika said, "Why men talk numbers when they ain't no saint?" Again, I don't ask. I'm not asking.
Because men can't handle it. We're pussies.
I'm not asking.
Most men, 95% of men are pussies. We cannot handle it. A nigga will go out, cheat, get his dick sucked, fuck, come home, find his wife doing the same shit, and kill her. Do you understand that, man?
He said it. Maurice said for him is how many you've had in the past 5 years.
Again.
So Mo, what's a bad number?
I'm only 25. The past 5 years is when you was really fucking.
But then you the one that said tell me 3?
No, that was Yule.
Oh.
That Yule right here. Can't wipe it. Yule is right to the point. His shit's always short.
Nope.
Niggas that give you a chance got paragraphs. Yule's like, can't wipe it.
Nope. I'm good.
I mean, listen, like I said, I say it's 15 to 20% of men can handle girls with a body count. Most niggas, it's self-esteem.
If you fuck 5 niggas, I have to be one of those 5. Then I'm cool.
But see what I'm saying? But why? Let's keep it 100. Why?
Huh?
If a woman's been with 15 to 25, right, it's this man's self-esteem.
Right.
It's your like, my woman has been with too many men that fucked her.
Right.
But if your woman was with one nigga and fucked the same amount of times as she would have fucked 25, well, she's like,
unless I go to Minnesota, me and bring her back to New York.
What if she's with 5 niggas but fucked each one of them 5,000 times? Or she was with 25 niggas and only fucked each one once? She been fucked damn 2,500,000 times, or she just been fucked 25 times. So, which would you? I'm just asking you.
Listen, I've been with my girl since I was 23. I've known her since when I.
So if you found out today the truth that she's been with 15 men
in the past,
before you,
before me, I've only known her 9 years.
But if you found out she was with 15 men,
she was 14 when I met her.
But she didn't tell you everything she did. That's my point.
Well, at this point, it doesn't matter.
So from 16 to something, she did something. How old was she when you started dating her?
19, 20.
So from
19.
You met her at 14. She started maybe this is all hypothetical. 15, she started fucking, but she went on a little spree. Had a little 10 dudes.
Oh boy, Chris is there.
If I found before we started dating,
did you see this nigga eyeballs? He can't even take it as hypothetically.
I tell my girl this
eyes was like.
I tell my girl this all the time because again, I don't want to know these things. If I found out now after 30 months of us being together, it doesn't matter. Now it doesn't matter because
what if you know 3?
There's no going back.
What if you know 3 to do?
Oh, it doesn't matter now. Whatever happens from this point going on, it don't matter.
Pound you out,
it don't matter.
So you good because you love her.
Nah, I love her now. I didn't love her at the beginning.
Okay, that's what I'm saying. This is why men want. If you want to make it work, lie. Now you want to tell that nigga after he can put the ring on?
Okay,
and you're like, listen,
let me ask you,
I've been with 60
so I have
niggas.
I have another question.
You're like, oh, I guess I'm marrying her.
So I have another question for you. So so you guys are dating a woman. Let's say, or you're in a relationship with her.
Okay.
You've been with her for, I don't know how long you've been with her.
2 years.
Okay, you've been with her for 2 years.
Okay.
Right? You bring her around a certain group of friends that she hasn't met before. And
you found out she actually did meet them.
Find out that she slept with one of them. Do you want her to tell you?
Just one?
One.
Yeah, tell me.
You want her to tell you?
Yeah, because I don't want to.
You want her to tell you right now? Or
no,
you want her to tell you on the way home?
Yeah, when we get back home, let me know, like, yo, by the way, like, damn. So now, just know, I know.
But see, that's a quagmire because his man might pull him to the side. If I'm his man, I'm going to be like, oh, shit, damn. Great, let me talk to you over here.
If the man's like, yo, just so you know, a couple years ago, I'm like, you know what? It's been 2 years. It don't even matter.
That's like my man. Remember the young boy?
Yeah.
Met that girl, was dating her for a minute. Here's a quick one. Tell me what you would do.
I'm not lying. Just don't ask me.
Rigo, what would you do? You're dating the girl for a year and a half.
Year and a half.
She's your girl. Like you decide this is your girl.
How long were we dating before we got together? That's the question.
Well, you just dating a year and a half.
Okay.
But you're starting to introduce it to everybody because now you're like, I'm wifing it. This is me.
Okay.
Your boy has never met your girl, Maddox. He never met her.
Okay.
But he told you about a night he went out and bagged the bitch in the club and she freaked off, did everything. Swallowed nut, everything. Fuck shit out of her. That turns out to be your girl when you introduce her.
You did that on the first night with this nigga?
First night. But she tells you she was hanging out, she was drinking, she was bugging out. But he did. But he told you about this night.
Right. How long ago did this happen though? Because
it was before y'all met.
How long though? Because if you was doing this when you was
not that far.
If you was doing this when you was young and dumb,
I don't remember the details. You remember the details? It wasn't that far before you met her.
So like a year before they met?
Nah, it was like shorter than that.
Like 2 weeks?
Because they run in the same circles, but him and her had never met. But she had met you before she had met him at some of the same clubs. But you caught her on one hot night. She wilded out with you. And you told him the story. Like, I met this freak. So when you tell him, like, she sees you and doesn't say nothing initially to him. But you tell him, like, my nigga, because he's your best friend. You're like, my nigga, that's her. And he's like, her who? The freak from the club that did everything at the hotel.
Fuck it. Once you deem to the relationship,
see, he broke up with her for a minute.
He did.
For a minute. They got, you said for a
he
minute,
got back, but he moved. He had to move away because he flipped out because he was really falling for her. Told his sisters, you know that one, you know what happens. Bitch is a hoe. How you doing? And he had too much negative in his ear, but he was in love with her. You know what I'm saying? This is his man he's always chilling with. Now we can't chill. How we gonna chill? You done told me this bitch done swallowed your cum, did all this on one night. You know what I'm saying? And this is your man. How do you deal with that? That's some fucked up happenstance.
It is.
But he got back with her, but they moved.
See, this is why I'm kind of iffy when it comes to
But now you still can't have your man come. You can't come stay in my house.
Right? This is why in fact, you can't.
You done swallowed both our nights?
This is why it's iffy though, because one, a lot of the chicks that I've dated, I went to high school with. So the homies, and I went to high school with him. So the homies already know her. So if anything happened, I'd probably knew beforehand.
Yeah, but if it's a girl that you didn't,
right? See, then it's kind of tricky. So that's the thing. So if it is a chick that I've just met somewhere that we like, I know that we have no history with. I'm like, before we like, yo, the man is this the chick I'm fucking with. What you think? And they be like, yo, let you know. I just go off rip. I'm not waiting to. I'm saying I'm not because if this is my man, he gonna know that that's the chick I was fucking with beforehand. I mean, I don't know, man. But if that situation did ever happen, I might feel fucked up. I might feel fucked up because I don't know what I would do, to be honest.
But I have different circles, so it's just like wherever I go out, I usually see the same.
That's a fucked up situation, man. That's fucked up.
20, 30
because I motherfucker can't have just.
Or what? Okay, so what if?
I chill with that nigga. I can't. I mean, there's no coming back from that.
It's not.
There's no coming back. That's just hard.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying? Like I'm like, God damn. So I don't want to chill with y'all. Y'all fuck.
Facts.
You know what I'm saying?
I'll walk the fuck out. Like,
now I'm gonna be sitting there looking at my car. Every time he look at her, I'm like, fuck, nigga. Fuck you doing? You reminiscing?
Yeah, nah.
Your mind's going. You wouldn't feel that way about your girlfriend if you knew she fucked your man.
And you know,
and you see, you look over from one day, you talking and she's gawking at him for a minute.
And you know, he's really jacking the shit because he came and told you about it.
Exactly, like I backed this free, did all it. Mind you, he's talking about your girl who might be your kid, your mom one day.
Yeah, but it wasn't at the time.
Yeah, but I'm gonna hear what you're saying. But just picture the scenario.
No, I understand.
With your boyfriend now, you're sitting in the house with a girlfriend who hit it, and this is your girl. You like chilling with her. Like, how awkward is that now? You don't feel comfortable with them around because if he's sitting there like she get up and you see him looking at her ass a little, you might think he's running. Nigga, you ate her ass. That's what you looking at. You eat my ass all the time. You get talking about her ass. All right, I did just once, but
I'm like, hold up, bitch. You fucked this nigga first night. You made me wait 6 weeks.
That's another shit. That's another thing.
No.
I was telling her. That's what he was saying. He was like, and she played that whole part. That's what pissed him off. So you just meet a nigga and fuck him, no problem.
But you actually like me, I gotta wait.
I had to be in a relationship. And then girls will flip that and be like, but I liked you. That was just a fuck. So girls don't go for that when you change it up.
So you just fuck niggas you don't even like? Nah, fuck that. No, because I fuck bitches I like, so.
And what's your man feel? He laughing like, shit, nigga, took you 6 months to fuck her? Oh, damn.
Shit, I didn't even know this bitch name.
I brought that bitch 2 glasses of Hennessy and some smoke.
Oh,
we did hookah.
Shit.
And I was getting my dick sucked all night. That bitch know how to blow a hookah and a dick. You're like, bitch, you
But
smoke.
now you're
Wait a
in a
minute, the
relationship with
mag
her.
nigga like this. You smoke hookah?
I know more.
You ain't never told me you smoke hookah.
You wouldn't make a girl right now.
I might leave it.
Nigga Rico worried about she smoke hookah. You smoke hookah? I want you to smoke hookah with me. You ain't smoke hookah. Smoke hookah with this nigga?
My man,
It took you 8 weeks to suck my dick? Suck this nigga dick to say that and swallow? I told you, took that shit to the head. That's why you can't fight. Like, if you're not built for that, don't ask all those questions.
Facts.
Don't ask your girl certain questions. Because certain nights, everybody's a freak.
But it's not. But
certain
it's not even
nights,
asking
girls want
those
to just swallow a
questions.
random nut.
But it's not even asking those questions. It's just like I said. Like, you know, it's a scenario where now, you know, she's hanging out with you and your friends that she hasn't met before. And then she's like,
I'm
glad
I ain't got friends.
I had slept with him.
I'm glad I ain't got
I slept
friends.
with him 4 years ago.
Nah. I got about 3 homies.
Nobody, listen. This is
all,
just what we said about relationship and dating. Nobody wants to know somebody who fucked their girl. Nobody.
Okay, but if it happens,
it doesn't matter. It's
then
changing every. A nigga might get over it, but he's lying if he's over it the first time. He's gonna take a minute. Right. He might not break up with you, but he's fucked up. Right. Any man, your man right now meets a nigga that he knows that fucked you, it's going to bother him. No matter how you slice it, no nigga takes that on the chin and be like, I'm good with it. You know what I'm saying? He meets a dude and he's like, oh shit, dog. No, I fuck blue. In high school, I know from right? It doesn't matter when. Now he knows a nigga that did everything he's done to you.
And now,
and he thinks everything you've done,
right.
everything you do now, even though you was a kid then, he thinks you did all that today. I know how you do this, do this, do it. And every man thinks about that.
And then now when you think about it, you can put a face to it. And that just totally
fucks it up. Once you can put a face to the nigga that's fucking up, it's all fucked up. I don't know. How do you girls deal with that? Because niggas, that's what men do. The end of the best man. Nigga was saying his vows, picturing Tay Diggs slaying his chick. Once a dude knows somebody that fuck, even if you're in the hood and the nigga be like, yo, what up to your girl? And you like, you know this nigga? Next question, nigga mind, you start walking like, this nigga fuck her? And once she has to tell you the truth, like, yo, but that shit was in high school. Now you sitting in the bed looking at her like, that nigga was a cornball. See a nigga sneakers leaning? He was fucking niggas like this.
So your pussy ain't mean shit in high school, but it means something now? Like, you still saying pussy? Nah.
Men are such punks.
Like, so it didn't matter who you fucked when you was younger because, like, your pussy didn't matter? No, fuck that.
Niggas are soft. Niggas can't deal.
That's a fact, yeah, nah.
Niggas can't deal. It's really hard.
It's a tough situation to even think about.
Because maybe you're not supposed to do it, but I'm pretty sure you put boyfriends on a pedestal. Not somewhere up here like gods, but you put them up and be like, that's mine. You know what I'm saying? When you go be with him, you snuggle with him, you're like, oh my God, I smell like him. That's mine. You're wearing this, you have his scent when you leave. You holding his hand, you know no other chick. When you find out somebody's doing all that same shit, does it feel the same to you? As a woman, because that's how men take it. But as a woman, do you feel as good about the situation when you realize whatever he does with you, he's doing with somebody else?
I mean, not if he's doing it still.
I'm just asking you.
I mean, not if he's doing it still, no.
But you don't care if it was just something he did before.
I get it.
I mean,
see, listen.
No, we're saying if you know the person.
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I've never been in that situation, so I don't know how it would feel.
Or you just know the neighbor that lived down the hall. He used to fuck the neighbor all the time. You see all the time. They're still cool. You know what I'm saying? But you know, you come over and they're outside talking and chatting it up and laughing.
Yeah, because
you don't think he's fucking her, but you know he used to fuck her. And they're cool.
Yeah, but that's too close, the neighbor.
So, but what are you gonna do? So you're gonna stop dating him now? You're gonna stop dating because she's too close? He's telling you, like, look,
I'm not gonna move.
I'm not moving. Everything's cool. We're just friends. We fucked for a couple of weeks. It didn't work out. Boom.
You know, I was single. She was single. She lived down the hall. It was convenient.
Yeah, it was convenient. You know what I'm saying? But my point is see, that's what I'm saying. Look at your face. You're like, that's too close. So imagine a nigga knows a dude that fuck. I know Rico fucked my girl. He's my man. We cool, like everything. But every time I sit around, I'm gonna think just like you start. As a man, our egos are too big. When you have a woman, your ego's too big, so it's hard. That's why niggas start treating chicks like shit. or they just can't fuck with them no more because it's like my ego's too big to just deal with Rico doing the same shit I did. Even though he was doing it before me. Like, I'm fucked up. Like, I can't really date you for long. I can't really get in a serious relationship because I keep sitting here thinking about what this nigga did. You know, I think women are different because women always play it off to the thing only if he's cheating. Women play it off as I got you, she don't anymore, ha ha. Right? That's what it always seems how women play it. So to me, it's a different scenario. Woman has a chick, another one, she be like, bitch, I got him now, go kill yourself. It's the reverse for men. Like, you got my girl, I'm looking at you like this. Nigga, you proud of yourself? Oh, shit. You already know how she get down, right? So you already know. I ain't got to say nothing else to you. Nigga's still mad he don't got him no more. But he knows he just made this nigga dumb tight as he's walking with you down the block. That's why niggas used to do that corny shit on the block. When you walking with a girl and you on her block and the nigga that used to mess with her be like, yo, Debbie! And he sees you walking with Rico. He know he did that so Rico could look back and be like, all right, okay. Get to Debbie house, he like, so, who's the nigga yelling out your name? That's my ex. Yeah, I figured that. All right. I won't be coming over here no more. We're not gonna go through that no more because I'm gonna wind up wanting to fight. Men are punks. You ain't got last one anymore?
I think that was all I had. You said, how do you know when somebody likes you?
What do you think, Rico? How do you know when a woman how did you know when your girl genuinely liked you enough that you were ready to be her man? Like, or pursue it like that? And it wasn't she was just fucking with you just to fuck with you.
I don't even really think she even liked me all that like that much when we first started talking.
You think she does now?
Yeah, I mean, I'm a good guy. You know, I didn't know that at first. You know? I guess I was just another nigga that wanted her. You know what I mean? But you know, I proved myself to be good. She's like, yeah, you know, you're not so bad after all. Mm-hmm. You know? But how do I know a woman likes me? I don't know, man. I'm Don Rico, man. I just assume more women like me, to be honest. But I feel offended when women don't like me. Like, fuck you, man. You don't like me? Gay? Yeah, like you don't like me? But how do I know?
You're no gay. He's gay.
How do I know a woman likes me? I don't know. Like, oh, that's a good question. And it's funny to ask a man that because again, I just assume if you're a woman, you like me. So
it's a great assumption.
Like, why wouldn't you like me?
The dog.
You know, I'm a good guy. You know, I'm a gentleman. You know,
great catch.
You know, I'm pretty decent looking. You know, I don't know. Never thought about that.
Never thought about it.
No, and maybe I have crossed some boundaries with some of my lady friends because I just assume that they like me.
Damn, cross boundaries.
Yeah.
What's that mean?
You know, taking certain conversations and just assuming that they was cool with certain shit because whatever.
Because they was already on you.
Yeah, well, why wouldn't you be up? You know, I don't know.
Because you need a haircut. That's why.
So where's my hat?
It's like where's my hat? Oh God!
Walked right into that.
I sure did. I'm off tomorrow. Let me go to the barbershop, man. Facts. We can cut this shit off. I'm be like Cholo. I'm just rock the baldy and the goatee.
I don't want to. I want that. If I can grow that, I have my shit looking just like yours now.
I would donate it. I got you, bro.
I look like LeBron. You ever see after the game when his shit's messed up and it's like this fuzz shit that they put back up there, sitting up there. I'm like, LeBron, your shit. If his shit ain't waxed down, his shit looks crazy.
My thing is, why doesn't he just get Bosley?
I think that's what he has, but it takes time.
But it's been years. It's been years. I don't think it takes that long.
You don't think there's Bosley?
You're rich, bro. Like, get some surgery.
Let it go.
No, they got this. You can surgically have hair if you want to, and it'll grow.
I think you gotta have that dad look. Balding kind of.
It's not a good look, bro. At the end of every game, you look sick, like you're losing, like you sick, bro. Anyway,
I don't know. I don't know. Like when men start losing their hair, and they start going bald.
I'm going.
Is it that they just don't care, so they just leave like the little patch in the middle, or are they in denial, or?
I know that I got about
the ones that I know are in denial, the ones that let their hair grow and then just brush the shit over.
No,
that's me.
I just know because I come from a family of bald men. Mm-hmm. They all had hair when they was young.
He's like 23.
So I know I got about another 10, 15 years, and I'm giving it up. I'm not gonna play myself. I'm not gonna rock George Jefferson. Nah.
But is it hard as a man to just let go of your hair? Like when you start balding?
Yes. Think about it. Like, listen, women love my hair. When I had my hair long, oh my God, your hair's so nice. When I had the waves, oh my God, your wave. So to have that, that's like a part of you, you know? To have women love that shit, and then you ain't got none. It's just like, damn.
You love it. Hairlines and shit like that is butter. All of a sudden you're fucking bald. And when this shit goes in, you're looking like a fucked up George Jefferson. So you can't even let a day go by because your shit is spotty. That shit ain't fucking cool. You know girls do like it. Like I like when girls rub my scalp and my shit is the nails. When they do that shit, they almost having me. They could be almost ready to give up something. But fight it. But that shit is not cool. You be wanting a hairline. It's just butter. I got wrinkles and shit. Look at this shit. Look at that shit. When it's teasing, you can't see it. It's covered. That shit look more nice now.
I'm also afraid of what my head looks like
without hair.
Yo!
Because listen, I had long hair my whole life. I cut my hair when I was 18.
Mm-hmm.
I was afraid. I was like, damn, I know I got a big head. I don't know how this shit gonna look with a Caesar. I got a hair.
Not everybody looks good with baldies and Caesar. You're right. That's another thing.
I was just like, yeah. But when I first cut, I was like, okay, I'm cool.
You know what's actually funny about that? I thought about that too. What I would look like without hair.
It's not a good look,
but
man.
I'm just like, what would my head look like?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Like I kind of got an idea of what my head is shaped like, but until it's bald, you never really know.
Right.
Nah, man. And the baldy is not for everybody, man. It's not.
It's not.
I mean, it's worked for the men in my family, so I'm pretty confident that I'll just join the lineage.
Right.
But I don't know, man. When that day comes, it's gonna be a hard day. I'm gonna be staring. I'm not fun. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the barbershop to do it. Because then, like, now everybody in barbershop.
Do it yourself.
And
then go to the barbershop for them to shave it up.
Facts. Because, like, I might do it at home, so just I know, you know what I'm saying, if I'm got to throw a hat on before I leave the crib or not. You go to the barbershop, everybody in the barbershop going to see it for the first time, and then niggas will clown you. You feel me? Because they know
But they have it, too.
Some of them, you know what I'm saying, I could be in a chair next to the motherfucker with the waves that used to spin like mine. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking at the next shit. This motherfucker shit is spinning. I was like, damn, I used to have that. This motherfucker just like
taking all your hair off.
Damn, man. I don't know. But
imagine the look. He said.
And I've seen pictures. I've seen
looking like Pennywise with wild hair.
Afros, I had the dark Caesar. I messed this shit sad. The motherfuckers didn't even tell me. Now I knew that it was time to give it up. I was in fucking Kmart in fucking 34th Street looking for something for my son and looked up in the mirror and saw the back mirror and saw that shit wasn't growing right here. And I was like, motherfuckers didn't tell me. I'm getting my Caesar, so I must look crazy when it's coming back and this shit's missing. And I'm like, nobody told the guard I had a hole in my shit.
Why didn't you tell him, Chris?
See, that's why I'm thankful. Like, I'm really about my hair, so I'm always like snapping pictures of my hair and shit. So I'll catch
you'll see the ball.
Facts.
You'll see the process.
I take a picture of my hair. Well, when I have at least once a week.
You are vain as a motherfucker.
I mean, you just gotta make sure you not let motherfuckers. Listen, understand that when I do get my hair
I got caught out there slipping, family.
I'm saying I'm coming back.
I was mad sad too because I knew the season had to go. I knew that weekend it was gonna go to the ball game, and it was sad. But the same thing. I just shaved off my beard. My son was telling me I look retarded. And he was like, Dad. Then nigga kept it clean. He was like, listen, just keep it beard. You look like a fucking pedophile or something.
Like the no hair shit at all that's not for black people especially. It's just not a good look.
It wasn't that. It was mad light. But the nigga was like, nah, you can baby weird face. You got the baby weird face.
You watched The Shy?
No, I didn't watch that.
There was a crackhead character on the show. I don't know if he's a crackhead, but he's just not right.
Looking like Pennywise with a hairline.
So the last episode, he had a big, he had real patchy beard or whatever. But that was his look. He shaved that shit off the last episode. I was just like,
yeah. Because you know what it is? You know what it is when we see people, we're used to seeing them a certain way.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Like if he came in here with hair next week, we would look at him crazy because he would look crazy.
Until
I wouldn't look crazy. I look dope.
No, you would look.
You knew me with hair.
Yeah, I don't remember.
See, this is my thing
You're
though.
lying.
So, like,
I don't remember.
if I like my girl don't like this with her. I just feel like if I keep it long enough,
I don't remember you ever having hair.
You that old, man?
Probably.
That's your shit, man?
Probably.
Like, you coming in bald would be a problem. I couldn't work with you.
You couldn't work with
No,
me.
you came here with that egg head with no head connected to it. Look, your chin to here is the egg. You just bald with an egg head? Nobody can focus in here. This nigga be hitting that the whole thing.
But that's how I would look with a balding right now. Look.
Yeah, no, but this hair here, we know there's a ponytail. This shit would be bald. All this shit would be going back here, skin. You look like a fucking the bald chick from Star Trek or something.
No, that's how we look right now. See?
Nah.
No.
Yeah.
Sarita laughing like hell no. And I was with a bald head chick at my man Chuck Bones joint, but that's the first way you see it, and she was beautiful because you're not judging her. You being bald, we would be like, bitch looks crazy. Oh yes,
My eyebrows.
I'm trying to wonder if you had an Amber, would I still think you're sexy? You think she'd be sexy with an Amber Rose?
That's the thing.
Maybe
not on rip.
Not on rip. We have to get like a couple of months.
See, my girl cut her hair short, but I didn't mind because she changed her hair all the time. So I was just used to just different shit.
Yeah, but see, I've only seen your girl in person a couple of times, so it'd be like, okay, cool.
Yeah. We
seen Blue for a while long, and then all of a sudden she got a bald head. We're trying to focus. You're over here laughing to get breath. The Maddox is hitting bubble 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 car. Because we're sitting here and people like, yo, who's the new bitch on the show? Where's Blue? Who's the bald head cancer bitch?
This is Purple Phoenix.
This is
Purple Phoenix. That's her twin that came from Texas. Blue will be back in 9 months. Her hair grow back. No, you don't think so?
I think my hair would grow back before 9 months. I mean, it wouldn't be like this, but.
You think you could still pull the same kind of dudes bald as you can with your
I'm like looking at her like a scout with her right now. And it's like, don't do it.
It's just because she has an egghead, I'd be wondering if she looked too crazy. Like, if you look at the shape of her dimension, like, she has a point and then a pointy chin. So it's an egg.
And you know what it is?
Some of this, she like the cone heads from, you know what I'm saying, Saturday Night Live.
I don't think it's that much.
No, I don't think it's that pointy, but it's an egg.
I go Wakanda with my bald head. They love me a long time.
Oh, yeah.
That's fucked up.
Yeah, tomorrow she shaved her head. She looks crazy. Some celebrities are bugging with that shit. Like, I think Amber Rose looks crazy to me when she wears the wigs because it throws me. She's like a whole different woman.
Who's the other one that she? Sanaa Lathan.
I didn't like her shit. Not at all.
I like it now because I'm used to it. But when she first did it, I was just like,
nah, that bitch looked weird to me. I was like, no.
Yeah.
No.
What did you say? One of the best already, right?
Yeah, Tamar.
Yeah.
Tamar did her.
Yeah, I seen her on Steve Harvey show this morning with Carrie.
But to me, she looks crazy.
Shit, Steve Harvey finally looked crazy to me when he shaved his fake shit off.
First of all, his teeth are
hella big.
Oh my god!
Like he'll fuck a chick uterus up.
I ain't just said Tamar looks crazy.
They gave him the wrong size. They gave him the wrong size teeth.
Well, at least he got rid of that fucking fake flat top. That shit was killing me.
Because
the nigga was on Showtime Apollo with a bald spot flat top. Then all of a sudden he had a full flat top for wild years. And then them comedy niggas must have been roasting him on tour like, nigga, nobody has flat tops. Nigga, give up the dream. Then that nigga went bald. He got a big ass head with big teeth. You know what I'm saying? But people love him.
Mustache.
And he had that same smile.
Yeah, his teeth are extra big.
This is dumb long.
Oh my god.
But,
all right, guys, we have only a few more minutes.
So
I'll remind you guys again.
Understand?
If you go to my my Instagram, which is blue_Phoenix, PHENIX.
See, when you don't have a hair, you got wrinkles. Look at this shit. I'm trying to show you. This is why you don't want to be bald. Don't be me. You gotta be hoodie mellow. Wear that hair proud, my nigga. There's going to be a couple of years down the road, this shit won't grow like that no more. It'll be patchy.
Or you
could be like that.
Yeah.
That would take you out.
So if you go to my Instagram, blue_PHENIX, and you click on the link, you can actually read my stories. I'm actually working to get my stories published so you guys can actually buy them.
Hey.
I read the excerpt last week. That was from one of the stories that I'm going to publish for sale. So, yeah.
Party. I'm gonna write a book one day too. It ain't gonna be about shit. But
hopefully, I'll finish school one of these years.
I mean, you know, you can just keep going. You know.
No, I don't even want to anymore.
I mean, you say that now, and then you just gonna wake up one day. It's like I think I go for no.
They chose that Instagram and y'all know me from here. You heard me.
Nobody needs more than 2 master's degrees. I don't even need the second one.
We'll see you next week. Got something special for you.
Just cause.
Rico.
I like that, man.
Show him the hair, Rico. Show him the hair one time so you know what you're talking about.
Listen. We let out here, baby. Anyway, Don Rico _ HHO on Instagram.
What's that? Is that a photo for him?
No, I put my hair on now. No, it's been like that my whole life. Thank you. Actually. Don Rico _ HHO on Instagram. Follow your boys.
She's trying to blast you, Rico.
She's a hater.
Oh, now you know. Ain't it a bitch when she gets you, huh? Ain't it a bitch? You see that? That motherfucker never on my side. She tried to blow him up. And now he's like, she's a hater. Please remember that, ladies and gentlemen. Thematics, say bye to the fans. Thematics about to get to this thematics effect. I'm going to let y'all see him do a little.
All goddamn day.
It started?
No.
We can't hear shit. Well, okay, he can't get his phone. Shit, boy, get back to Katrina. Here we go. It's your boy Joe. You already know. Love me or hate me or leave me alone, but keep following us.
Next week. Yeah.